Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, saying, and it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me a won't leave a girl on that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man a fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you never. I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. I see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. How? I not get no home tonight. Me a come now. Man. Me a come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, General?
What me know me a talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But General, I don't really say nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because I hear somebody talk about wash plate and wash clothes. You know me come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? What you talking about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some go on country there, man.
What you said, you know ready?
Some tree, how much got some again? Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh,
No, man, no. Exercise.
yo, here we go. You have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up, here, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can't reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him a run.
Start prepare food then?
No, I do dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really passed through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Don't take bye.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? What, no? Nobody eat?
Yo, what?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down.
No, you have to put them there, man. Tell me your wife there. You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want to give me a little food around there, oh you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I'm not wake up your wife. I'm not going to wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No,
smell that.
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell.
I
Sit down, man. Sit down. Take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know. Maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry and bark me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and follow back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me ring no them. Lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me ring no them. Make it blow over the neighbor yard. Help me them. Step aside. Right, come on, get you.
Yes, you want me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw be the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah. I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk, but me and them will agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there sleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? I'm your mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not if you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay on there. Oh, sorry. You know what I do for?
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
You mean? Papa, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Papa.
Papa, you know. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're gonna laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are gonna do a 2 P's one. So to continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here today, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
The dirty papa out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
The dirty papa. Oh, man, me I run him away. Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know, no food on the back there.
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, songs.
Rest. Oh, this man never can be a yard, you know. Never can be a yard. Rest. Man,
Ease up and do
I
what
just
you
say this. Relax yourself, man. Don't trouble come for you. What you deal with you? I'm gonna check 2 girls up the road. What you say? Up to it?
What you say? What they there?
Can't believe you saying no more I want. I 2 girls be passing in the area. Right up there, so. You don't know, say, me, you know. Me come here, if I did that phone with a call, as a matter of fact. That's why I come bang on the door. Yo, me say the girl up there, I don't want to go up there look. You know, saying 1 man go whisper 2 girls a problem. Nothing now go run. So you're forward there now forward. Just make me know if I know. So me know if me want to go up there by myself.
What you mean if me have forward? You know say for girl business, me have to involve. So come on, go look for your girl them right now. For a girl you know so I'm ready, like Freddy.
No, you're talking. Let's move it, boy.
So I said, hot girl around there.
You could have asked that. Some nice skin girl.
Yo, me always you talk about girl now. I always want laggy girl, me hear you talk about in a papa.
I like a girl might better one than a gear bone.
No, brother, man, I laggy girl daddy. Hot girl more. You talk about Brazilian hair, long nails, pedicure.
Really like?
Oh, you mean daddy?
I like a girl with her bushy hair.
Boy.
Call it, you know.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you.
Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Wow, I kill her.
Papa, how are you really messing over there? What are you doing?
What's that, man?
Nothing on the veranda.
She inside, man. Thoroughly.
Call up him on them then, man.
That's what I'm phone there. That's the man. She come on, man. She must hear me.
Call.
I'm not call woman palm banger. Let's relax, man.
I could have who that call me, I know.
Oh, she coming.
Oh, are you? We can't deal with it right now. You have to come back later. Alright.
But my love is still here.
Alright. I'm kind of busy now, so you have to come back later.
So, Papa, I can't really come around on my youth. Woman style me.
Relax, my youth. Just relax, man. I just one girl, lad.
All you not really mean style, though. You in style. You know what I do? I'm girl on me.
One girl for bar, what you do? What you go and go do? We choke the chicken.
No, man, I'm Alex, I got make love down there.
Relax, man. I'm coming and go to the road, man.
So come on then now. Yo, Papa, I know my yard, I'm going to my youth. That me tell you.
Listen, man. I'm sorry, calm down, right, man. Listen, man, you. Tell you. You see how we walk up all day, every one of them check them busy, them this, them that. That's how it go. And every day I go bingo. If you humble can't suck your most milk. So we check 20 of them today. 9 catch. That's how it go. We don't get none. Them busy. It's just like a busy normal day.
Papa, remember I tell me I some hot girl him daddy. Me I go up with bad man and girl that disrespect me my youth. Me never know say that cam go up with some me get disrespect bad man. Never know my youth. How can I waste mission in the cam go up on? Say hot girl them definitely know 2 girls up the lane.
This is the part where you know. You know, listen to the word when I say. I say them a hot girl. Me never say them cute. You never go up on the end and say yo some hot box them there. That's how you work. Me never say a cute girl. Come on, bro. Me just say yo a hot girl.
Yo, you know say you do. Me not get one of girl them. I see some one of girl them come out in a youth and see you back and tell her. Hook one flower back and tell her see you. You know no style in a youth. Me not go back no with you again. That me I tell you. Now no style. The thing should be done. My youth me waste all my day. You could have chop all the line, daddy. I tell me boy, I can go look for girl and say my youth. This next time, don't come at me all. I come book me door, come talk about reds. That means the door come back for me next time, daddy. That means I tell you, I'm not depend on them the low movements again.
Listen, me understand what you're trying to tell me now. Me stop if I'm choppy line. I don't care if you want chop line or you want this line. But me I tell you see, you tell me something, don't care about one end. You see, tomorrow morning, there was a nice fluffy girl down the road for the check. I said, since I just said, you now roll back with me, don't show up me tomorrow. I said, you come down as a friend.
Hold on. What you say? A nice fluffy girl that come down. You know what, Papa? You have to make me get the girl there, you know. Because you know, say, a fluffy girl I like, you know. You don't want you playing with me. It's mission. You know?
Look how life funny. The man just cussed me a while ago. So I tap him for a choppy line. Me spoil up him whole year, but as I hear about the fluffy I come down. You want to see her. But no, yeah, no girl. Because I'm not too like fluffy girl. I like the little natural slim as them. But I'm not too have a problem with them. But you want me to know. Relax yourself, man. Just go on home, fresh up, and then tomorrow morning you link me.
Alright then. Tomorrow then you go link your fluffy.
Well, I'm not telling you like a must, but you know. Right, you know, you see the girl team business, you know. You have to keep it down on a level, you know. Because you see what I go on right, you know. Because you remember the man I seen chop in the closet? Right now, him chopping a one right, you know.
Jesus.
And one out here, same thing happen to him, you know. You know what? Let me make sure I tell you this. This thing will change my mind. Everything cancel. You see, if you want to take it fluffy and chop in the closet, you go on, but me I go on my yard, go chop in the closet.
So guys, do you know why you're here? Do you know why you're here? You know why you're here, Tori?
We're just in front of the camera. We're lost to everything. Just tell us our role.
Tell us what we're doing.
Alright, so I have spoken to actors, actresses about intimate scenes. But what I forgot was that you guys are the ones who rule those scenes. So I thought that you guys would give a more wholesome explanation or a more immersive insight as to what that experience was like. So, we'll start with the man first. So, Alton, you do what one whole heap of man want to do right now. You know what that is?
The story.
Yes. Yes.
That means I need camera for seat then, not you?
Yeah.
Camera for seat.
So, what was that like, Mr. Alton Garden? Tell me.
Well, it was unexpected. Remember we have to do that?
Impromptu, you know?
Impromptu.
We felt like you would have jealousy and
Yeah,
more,
probably if we did know say we could do it and we do it, it'd actually come out. But I think it was good. Especially the part when you run out of the room. Remember when you run out of the room?
right, that's how it come like it just coming in your head. That's
that was perfect because probably I would literally do that for real in a real situation.
And when you take on a character, you take him
that was
on.
altered
Right.
for real, right?
So that was altered.
So, what's going through your head, Tori? I remember the first time when you guys kissed, I remember it was like a sighting kind of thing, like you guys were unsure, and I was like, come on, just do it over and do the right thing. I remember that clearly.
Well, the first time, of course, I had the scene in mind for say, alright, we're going a little embrace. So I never really expect it, but then when it's set that way there, man, I'm not the one to make the scene look no way. As long as this need to be done to make it look good, we just do it and I see it in that moment, say, alright, this is what need to be done, so we do it.
That was epic. I'm just sorry, I should never actually get no. Probably if we...
You wanted a kissing scene with Shan?
No, it was just that. No. It was just that. I think it did need a little romance with both of us.
Didn't feel like we did have a lot of romance in the beginning when we did it on the beach.
It was okay for the abuse. It was.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It was not okay. No, it was not. But for the movie, it was okay.
That's the thing.
It was okay for the abuse, but I think we should have give you a romantic scene, but it worked.
Nah, I feel like if you did put any more romance tonight, the fans or the viewers would have feel like, have a little leniency on you, and in this movie,
and good
there
that
was
no
no
leniency for me.
Yeah, right, that's all. You know?
So all in all, based on everything that you guys are saying, and this is really different from the young lady I spoke to first. This is really different because, or probably just because I made that do that scene there. To you guys, it's just a scene. It's just a kissing scene,
right?
And it's what is needed for the movie or for the message to go right across.
Once we're behind the camera, we are in front of the camera now, right? Yeah. Once we're behind the camera, we don't.
So I mean it different from you. Are you trying to say if you kissing a scene a keen that would be real?
What I'm saying is because you guys did acting, but I just think I'm a novice when it comes to the acting. I'm not like when females feel uncomfortable around me. So. Like me did unsure, we never like me never know what I go on this, so like me did nervous, me I say, oh John, I hope me not make this uncomfortable for or anything like that. But when I seem to have some kind of chemistry, that's basically what me I say.
Oh no, as in Alton and I?
Alton, yeah, hold on.
I say all the way who acted this movie, we ever saw.
You know, for me and the camera, it's them. Come.
Give him back. I do agree that there is some chemistry between the three of we enjoy the same things and most of the same things. So
I'm a businessman, people, so therefore
and we're businesswomen, and we also like to enjoy certain, what do I call that, de-stressing methods. So yeah, we click, the three of us.
We're good.
Little girl, are you lost? Are you lost?
No, I'm not lost more money.
Your parents ain't know which part of that?
Yes, they know somebody I beg your money. You know, give
beg me your money for what?
The money.
Which money? Who money? Me owe your money? I'm gonna take from you. For owe your money.
Vegetable bowl salad.
Young lady, are you lost?
I'm a video. Have you done it?
Your mother knows which part of that?
Come give me one in a Akeem. Because no man. You say me Nathan? Yeah, me.
Give me some of my ganja.
I would like to fork.
Oh, this is marijuana, people. Hello, people. I'm not crazy. What I do?
Shooting, move.
Nah, shoot. I'm not seeing a gun. Oh, camera. Oh, nah, film.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just tell me ready. Ready? Alright.
Yo, you're so popularly known for night workers.
Nobody with the phones.
Action. Alright, ready. Action. Alright, so where are we going to work? You can't go work like that.
Remember, say me have uniform at work.
Oh, yeah, uniform at work?
Yeah. Babe, sorry, man.
Alright, wait.
Alright. Love you. One straight on me, alright.
So, General, I say hug up your woman church hug with the big bag of space,
You know. Boom! Ready, what's water? Take it, look, water. Action. Don't look for now. You want to be better? Walk it. Remember where you did that? Yeah.
What's your neck? It looks like a giraffe.
Okay, everyone. Stop.
You don't love me no more?
We are here with Hakeem Lawrence.
Want my money.
See you over there, sir. You must pay me and me have him.
People want money from Hakeem. Want my money from Hakeem.
No, Hakeem paid last week.
You not give me no money.
No, we can't do the big movie star and a talk like that.
What am I figure your money for?
The money.
Right, tell me what I figure your money for.
Feel like a part of move when I go in.
Feel like a part? How much I want?
Let it want a part.
How much I want?
Yeah, me how much want.
So tell me how much I want.
Enough.
So put one number up on it. How much money do you want, girl?
Yeah, me you're gonna say what me you want to go give me.
You want $1 million?
How much money you want?
All your body worth million, trillion, dollar.
No, how much money you want? How much money you want? You're going to want a short part of movie.
And a short part.
Want all a movie?
Yeah.
So how much money you want?
More enough money.
Enough money.
How much? How much? Why worth I work you think you do?
What's the highest you can afford, sir?
My highest I can afford?
The highest you can afford, just pass it on. Highest I can afford right now, just pass it on.
Yo, brother, one thing you know. In our life, if you want to make woman happy, just make enough money.
Money.
Yeah. Make money.
Yeah.
Just give them just portion of money.
I have some money figure, man. Right now, I have 150,000 figure. Don't worry yourself.
When?
See, I want to expose the thing. I want everybody to know when you collect your money.
Hey, you pussy?
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
So over there, so we have Hakeem Lawrence.
Tell her again.
My youth.
Some of them, man. Can't have it like that. Go on. Action.
You know what? Taxi Brittany turn up this I talk about. So. Me tell taxi go tell him to go straight home, you know. No, sir, this is not safe. I wonder if taxi will carry on the bowling. This is not safe at all. I hope me not lose that better, you know. Me can't afford to lose this. Me fella me 40 grand. Fella man very loyal. And for me I swear upon top.
Yeah, just run go over. Cause they gone,
To Falande.
Falande over. When I go Falande, which part you want to do there?
Okay, done the
What I show your name?
Oh, this is the name loyalty test.
Loyalty test.
I want a test, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Loyalty test.
So, really and truly, people, may I test the phone camera. So, it's a Samsung A, whatever. May I test the camera. They are with Tax from Talk Up TV. You know him YouTube channel, about 10,000 subscribers and now. Somebody I just hang with them. Welcome to the new channel if you're your first time over here. So, subscribe. Movies are coming, but you know, for your first video, I test out the phone camera. Probably do a movie with it, same way. See how it look, how gonna receive it and all those things. But yeah, they are with Talk Up TV. Get some behind the scenes of them. To them. What's that name?
Loyalty test.
Loyalty test. Huh? Get some more right.
You ask how much money you want. You have enough money.
What me I say? I say just tell me how much money you want. I'm just get no. And my money, you work for your money, no girl. Just put the number on it, no.
Give me 50 grand right now.
No, I tell her said that I next month business that. So I can't bend up yourself and I go like
40.
40?
No.
No?
Yeah.
So you feel like you do 40 grand worth of work?
Yeah.
Blood? Cleat. Alright, mama, come on, we'll go over some. I can't get a 40 grand.
I like here, I like people, I like.
What's that?
Alright, come on.
Alright, come on. Come on.
Okay,
Alright, people, so I know so for safety reasons we can't go really show all of the things. But
Give me safe.
She'll get her fast.
Give me. Give me.
But we'll get some more behind the scenes. And you have YouTube channel too? Can't tell the people. You have Instagram?
Yeah.
We go over our Instagram link up, but you have one man already though, so I'm not bother try to look at. So yeah, I run me down to blood. What is the matter with you? I run me down around the car up there. You almost mad somebody to blur this. Oh, Jaja.
Seriously? You know, long them following gone. Can't believe. Look how me I swear for the boy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much you love me? 0?
I'm gonna get money.
Money
When me
by,
get the money, me tell her the percentage.
money by love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love buy money.
How?
Love buy money.
So how do you go for your now tax?
Yeah, you know, a whole thing are going on, you know. Today, we are finished up on like a short film, but we have a couple movies I shoot. Well, you know,
What do you think about YouTube differently for your career? I'm sorry for cut you though, but what do you think about it? That's a more important question. What do you think about YouTube for your career? Like a man does do YouTube for your living.
YouTube for a living.
Yeah.
It's a good.
You think it can work?
You can't work, but you want something alongside it too. But if you do it full 100, you probably have to set away first.
But it can work though,
It can work when you reach a level.
Okay.
But if you just have a starting, make sure so you have balance something.
Alright, cool.
If you're young and you have your parents behind you, you find your food and like bills and something like that, you don't worry about them. You work for you easy.
But I want you picking it on YouTuber?
I'm not busy what I want to do, you know. God bless him and anything you want.
But you'd support him if you want to be on
Anything
YouTube.
you do, once you don't go the wrong way, we okay. You understand?
Okay, alright. I hear that.
Bless.
I'm going to ask a lady there over there, sir.
Brittany.
Yannick Mortgage.
Hello,
What's that? Has me contact you, so you're gone. Fallon.
Akeem.
You encourage the youth, you support the youth if you want the YouTube.
Yeah, you always say what.
Akeem Larry.
It's a multi-billion-dollar industry.
So in done school and everything and in some moment a YouTube more, you support him.
There's a balance that same speed.
Same speed?
Yes.
Alright.
So Akeem.
Alright, I see now you need my attention. Now you want. Come, answer this question and you get a call. So,
Me not bother want your call.
hold on man. How you stay so? Suppose you
answer question if you get call.
you're not happy but we want to answer.
But we have to answer question.
Suppose none of anyone of your kids want to do YouTube as a career path, you don't support them? You don't tell them say do something else.
If what they want or need, me not go stop them.
No, you don't support him, you don't say yo
Yeah,
go ahead.
support
You don't support
of
him? Okay. So you don't like, share and subscribe and say yo my son of the
Of
YouTuber and
course.
that. Okay. Same thing with you tax.
100%.
No, I'm
Okay.
curious when your children them choose a path to go, don't discourage them. Support them.
Oh. Big up yourself.
Thanks.
So yeah people, it's always fun, you know, hanging around people, interacting, bonding, go on, you learn, but you know, it's fun, filming, fun. You know, different people come together, different beliefs, I get to know people, all them nice, something there, yeah. So we have come to the end of our first video on this channel. Remember me say, the phone me I use, so the quality look kind of shit, you know where I go. Alright, so yeah, hit that for this one. Big up on yourself. Remember to like and subscribe if it's your first time, you know, subscribe. And grow the thing, some high quality movies are come. Trust me. Oh, with that pretty face girl, I forgot. Some BTS with the movie there, but me I rock one. Later.
So let's see how going on now. Ready now?
ready, you know, bills, but I have no money, you know, I can't owe you till next week. You know, trust.
What? You know the money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about the money if I not just till next week. But you are going away. You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
I have to put about this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know so you want your sort out. Saying, and you really come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes or $500. Alright, let me feel him.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500? No, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it for $500.
You think I bend down this? You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So better you step away, sir. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left it. Look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face have some scam you have. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming out money and in 1 little time I don't have no money. You know what you give me? Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, That work, yes, man. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. A business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A far me come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. I will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
me I'll give you
who will get the benefit?
Come back. Just take your 5 and I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't hold my searching?
Hey boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't hold my searching? You can't hold my searching? When you go in a searching shop and you say, what am I say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I understand you the 5 bills thing and I come one like you want to feed it. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. I'm going to be able to have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright, you hold the 5 bills. Come in and talk. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, you know. I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
I don't get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. I not ask you just depend. You stop like you're an idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand. You think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you can't click, you can tell me about trucker swimming in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like...
Thanks, your dream, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash bag. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello?
Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good?
Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know bad girl in you that are 21 in you.
But man prostitute. Yeah. Yo, I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want real sitting?
So man, everything you make bad eye. You could go on out, man. One little time you see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cousin and go on the most way. And she, you know, say me nice with her. We just come out there so me can take some cool piece. You want to hear she go on, my youth? Eh, and that I go on. So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, Cecilia come back for me then. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Right. I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what say, I look a thing going on, I win a piece of money, youth. And if you tell her, brother, yo, you want to look a thing, cause I really, youth. Now when I'm down, you did the same, yo, so just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Mothers I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, I win a piece of money, you know, youth. You understand? Licky cash back, man. Wicked. Mr. China for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at here, boy, around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and I tell me a story about James. The woman, I hold him down, all of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man, right there, him boy, the girl. So make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So me just go so bad, man. Rakes up. Me give me rakes too, you know. But I don't know what going on for him. But rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So me just go buy nobody, man. See it, you can't have money if it's spent, eh? Wait, then. How are you, what? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. Just that. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, so I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it the food. I deal with it. See me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have to come look for me.
Yeah? So your man there?
Could eat that boy gone about his business. Yeah, might have to come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. Are you with man?
Yeah, man. Get it, man.
I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look there, I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they keep it. Boss. Now check it.
Keep your money. Keep your money.
Yeah.
Keep your money. Keep your money.
It was on the brand new pack, man.
Brand new pack. You need to never let me sing here.
Alright, say no more, yeah?
There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man.
Boy, not going good.
Nah, going good. When they?
No, no, ain't gone.
So I go fast. Fast.
What? Where's the while ago?
Yeah, current. Don't go runs upside of me. I'm going to say JPS, you know. Bye, mode.
So this is how the world look from your perspective. Come here and talk to me. What's your name?
I got some bar, you know. See me? Some Johnny Wood bar. And you call it Johnny get.
Ready now?
Johnny, you can't believe I say a full you. What's your sell for?
Good money.
Where you call good money?
No more. When you ask me how much you sell it for again, and then I'm selling you good money. Action.
What you sell it for?
Good money.
Where you call good money?
What's on? Alright, hold this. Hold on.
Wagwan people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. So, as you see some behind the scenes, but then I'm not shoot.
Hold on, car. I work on 3,007 bike.
Yeah, you see.
Take some on that. Alright, no laughing, and action.
Brother, hold on there. Yo, what kind of 3,000 are you sell man bike for, brother?
Yo, Jamaican, listen to me. How much man I miss a bike and I don't get that much dollar. I miss sell it and be a favor, that's so you go on.
Me share the money, give me. You share the money. Alright. You better hold it.
So, I see them having audience on a shoot and thing, and I see how them go about it. So, that's basically what we are doing at this one. Get some behind the scenes, and sometime, some little joke crack, so probably we'll catch one of them. And we can all be immersed in the moment. So, back out of the behind the scenes.
You want to emphasize, you warm up the bike because you're an idiot.
Yeah.
Alright, action.
Brother, bike can't sell for them money there, you know. My bike worth more than that in a year. What the fuck? See, I'm telling you again.
No, but you stop, just continue.
Mr. Brown. Alright, we know someone like a shooter go and know say you're busy. Yeah, boy, John was star, you always say that. But anyhow, yeah, just give one a little bit ideas to what go on. We see it's a shoot, but probably the story.
Well, this is not really the core of the story. The core of the story is what's a secret for a woman. But the thing is, we always have to have other things that occur throughout the story or before the story.
And this is one of them?
Yeah, we are introducing the character them, so it's not just part of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what really are going right as a door still?
It's just sell my bike. Them sell my bike for $3,000. Bike worth enough more than that. And I come give me $2,000.
Yeah, but
that's share the money better.
Express yourself.
That means I share the money.
Hey. He's lucky some people left them bike on road and go back and see it. You can get $3,000.
Alright, come ready. So Jutta, more you actually tell him to listen. Your bike worth more than that. So you don't know how you're more you expect.
So, just like how it works, them have them little strategies. So, them use like scenarios to introduce the characters as to the personality to make you get to know the character. So, some like scenarios like that. So, that's how I get from them. Just where is Honey? I play one part, another one. What to do?
The wise man's right hand.
Man like you already. Where they put my bike every day.
I know nothing about no wise man either, but
see if you do nothing like that, that's something you say. You know say you idiot.
Them say is the movie name a secret. The secret. What the movie name? Woman secret to a woman.
What is the secret to a woman?
What?
The secret of a woman.
What is the secret of a woman?
Yeah, and then she are coming.
Yeah, come in and come.
No, stop the foolishness, no look good for road. I want to make our money right now.
Tap him, say, what go on, hold you, yeah, Ray. And when you stop them now, then you can, them can tell you what really happened. He might tell us your papa is selling bike, and my papa I tell about the gas and the house where they sell. One bag he might tell about.
Yeah.
Then now you can tell him, say, you know what, you relax yourself. Because it's one or so to collect it. Yes, so you want to go on now. The best way to solve this, I hire man over so. You have to come link. So he can tell you, he can solve the problem for you. So because we are introducing high man. Alright? What you know? You know where you papa, you know you go?
Well, come now.
Action.
Well, at least I want the back of you anymore. The bike sell. What is it? You want back $50 out of gas?
No.
Listen to me.
No, hold on.
What
I need that sell man bike. Sell my bike for $3,000 and I come share the money.
Yeah, where you want to
let him go. Let me reason it out. What really want?
Yo, my bike run out of gas. I'm saying, me and need that there, so I should buy. I'm saying, I go buy some gas. Come back for food, put it back.
Wise man, me no know. I make a take it so they come. I see road.
I want on a high man.
I would have stop.
I want.
People ain't fast a while ago. They want to know what young candidate that talk about a while ago.
Oh, they want to say high one. No, don't say what. Some sound but sound like a too much like a obvious man. So we don't want to use that name. They will say high one. High one. That high man sound too much like a obvious man.
So, if you listen to me from across the waters, you know say high man when I say that in Jamaica, them feel like I talk about some voodoo business.
But that doesn't make no sense.
Just maybe I know still.
Alright, so Jutta. Alright, Candy, we're not happy chatting. Alright, so Jutta.
Driver, go down and come on.
Jutta, why are you still at home? But it's still a cut. And them say, calm down. I mean, I understand not where I say, take your time.
Yeah.
Then they take your time.
That's important.
Then they take your time and tell him, say, listen. Bike run out of gas. I'm a big tell him to watch the bike, I go buy gas. By the time I come back, the man sell it. Then Papa I can interject and come in and say, and I really say, me sell it, you know, the bike. I just run out of gas and it's an old bike. Plus, him did sell me house. So one, just drag out the conversation a little bit more with Papa I explain. Alright. Watch the Mega. Alright, so do that. Go back and still a complain because and them share tell if you calm down. I don't understand what I'm saying. That she attacks ready.
The man sell my bike. I just go buy some gas. See him. And by the time I come back here, so I not see my bike. He might tell me say him sell my bike for $3,000.
Alright, calm down, Juta. Calm down. I can't understand what you're saying. You talk too fast.
My bikes run out of
Paradise Nation. Can't interrupt me. People them shoot. Where you up to my boss? Man, they not see nothing I post on the channel. Wham.
Laptop mash up.
Oh, John no star.
He that can sell my bike for $3,000.
Pass out on laptop.
You want to come on? $3,000.
So me send it and get it fixed. Hope it can fix it. If not, I have to get a new one. But I want now and see me.
Alright, big up yourself.
Just sit with me until we get it.
Alright, my general, big up. So, that's where you go. Laptop mash up. We get a new laptop, all of them stuff.
Yo! Move my bike! Don't nice. Watch it acting what I'm back. Already know, and action.
People them shoot. You see, him just say him call me idiot. He don't understand what I want. Every day.
So, you know, see the kind of things that might delay the shooting sometimes nights from over there, so them have to stop. All them kind of something there. So, I'm gonna wait till the bike nights gonna start again.
Listen to me. Every
And then
day,
them a lose light.
me and the same bike every day we are run out of gas. My little $50 can buy 1 pound of flour. Every day else come buy gas. You don't sell the bike because the bike not good, we just give my favor and you don't send $70 enough. You can't and then we
So,
why not send to
a brother there in the red shirt, and the main editor, Zin. So, he might do film little thing, you can go over there, go check out his channel too. I go put a link in the description. You know, see things from a film perspective. Like I wanna see it from mine right now. Hold on, miss one joke. John was star. Hold on.
No problem.
Yannick, share joke.
You just bust out and laugh. No, sir.
Where's your sorry house I remember?
Where did you in there?
Where is that ticket to be honest?
Remember some. I want to
Yo, one girl, can we go for your live already in a dog? And I tell her say, oh, Stefan,
yeah, that too, floor.
probably a few more to my member.
Alright, so
Ready.
Alright, so go back to the part now. Me tell you. Then you need one very much to interject him. No, alright, right now, and action.
Wow.
I know.
Earpiece man having.
I'm through the league. The man say go sell me out. I love to go buy a stuff league.
Me don't want to hear no more. You know why phone no need to do? I go on the corner, show man.
What's up, why you come book up in a me for?
Can't clear.
Come out, type people them shoot candy.
I phone come like
What are you? It's a peacock.
And you know when the man buy peacock out of dollar.
Tita, you want the money?
Me don't want no money.
I
can't stay.
I want my bike.
Juta, listen to me. You just go to Iron. You can clear all our problems. Alright?
That's crazy, man.
But it's still in.
But no, one put in Iron in there. Unless, final and curious, unless you want to. No, one rule.
That himself.
No, it's
No, I say if
I think you may send them to
unless you final and curious. Don't go and find and come back. Now, the thing is, you better put in that, you know.
So I know we've got, because we need more parts to go for
Find out from him.
And him that ask who I come
complain. Because if you can go to you and solve what happened here, so you don't add something to it.
Yeah, that needs
I don't want to shoot
more parts.
because they have to find one in. I'll find one in for you.
So, Mr. Brown. Like how you, what happened a while ago now? Why shoot
No,
stop?
the thing is, we want to kind of put some length to the movie, so this is an aspect of it to put length to it, but we don't want to shoot something where not necessary, so we are trying to find one like close for you. So, but if there's a next part to extend, we want to make sure so we maintain what we are saying, so you can follow up to the next part of the story.
Okay.
So my people in love, we go live too much. So my live, they might joke live.
Yeah.
No, in the live we are going on a more serious live.
Yeah, man, serious live with enough people. We're in a live them with 2 people and them.
Yeah, joke, think that.
So, I understand and see what go on and all the things them. I think it's that one from a lower perspective. I don't know if people ain't want to face in that camera, but anyhow, photo shoot are going over here, so now.
Look in the belly, remember?
Yeah, I remember. Ready?
Yeah, picture the bad now. Give him that picture there.
Who want to see that picture that we took a while ago?
Yeah, I can't hold my breath too long now. You want
to hold your breath?
Hold on. Come, Kenny, come in here. Come in here.
Candy ass. My belly big. I'll make sure you.
I see if I can take off the pants off I'm through the camera.
I'm not going to go like a jealous thing like a be alone.
Make sure you know, look at my belly. Look at my belly.
But Candy, I go like a be alone.
Hey, I'll come on the front side.
Come, Candy.
Something I do now.
Come on, you love Spider-Man. Cannot let you.
Ready?
Come in closer, TV. Yeah, I say I love Spider-Man. I'm coming.
Papai! Papai! Alright, go on, this is for Papai. Everybody ready?
Jesus Christ. Hey!
Yo!
Yannick, come over here, Yannick.
Make Popeye go, make him go Popeye.
Let's go back, go here, Popeye.
No, stop.
It's all look funny.
I don't get so bad.
No, you look unbalanced. Balance your Popeye. Balance.
Move, man.
We get the one day after. Ready?
Come in closer, Popeye. Come in closer. Yeah, come in closer.
Yeah, ready.
Ready? Yeah. Make it Broadway.
The bike are going in.
Ready? Ready now?
Wait, because I'm telling you, I'm going to
one more picture. Go on again, like it. We're not getting last one. Yo, guys, yo. It's a picture shot take long time creative people. Come on, ready?
No. Jenny, I'm up Chelsea. Stop.
Christ. You know?
I'm over Candy.
Come on, bomb the bus is here. Candy. I can get a poke up on the shoulder, man. That's right, that's all.
Who's to go on, sir?
Stay relax, boy. You switch there. Stay relax.
Alright, ready. No laugh.
Alright, come, take a picture. Ready. Pop some more TV.
That's what you say. What TV you go back coming back? Richard TV you go back coming back.
Are you want to come first?
No. Hey, that's so.
Alright, come, take a picture of my job. Candy have man phobia. You want to talk to some picture now? Ready now? Alright, good.
One picture.
Hey, Candy have man phobia.
So I can't say I bring everything come show now. Everything I can come show now. Candy! Candy! Candy!
Yeah, you have to come to the confusion.
Why go on? Hey, you look on fire as like a princess. Hello, miss.
Say hi. Say hi. How are you?
Hey, your daddy a star, you know?
Little Miss Fire Ras. Yo,
Candy. Candy. Candy.
Hey, come and stay right here. Like it?
Candy.
Hello.
Me say you have man phobia. Come, tell the people that I go on. Come, where you run, girl?
Phobia, it's a candy sickness. I can't go back. Your current cap runs up.
What? Where say a while ago?
Your current don't runs upside of me. I'm going to say JPS. Move.
My mouth, it can't slip.
Everything.
I got a picture. Yo. Chat to the people them now. As a matter of fact, tell them your channel name for now.
Alright, so the name of the channel is What's Your Art?
What's Your Art? Alright, same thing I'm about to talk to about earlier, so make sure so no going over there so no can see the boss perspective of them something. Sabron, you see I take big picture there though. How that?
Because sometimes you need somebody something you put for your program in the day, you understand?
Me try and put for your program in the day.
You need some picture, you understand?
Family type of memorial thing.
I feel like when him said that, I feel like though something more on the positive side. You know, cause him to take the picture.
Hey, no go more than I chow no. One time.
That's what again?
Yeah, them are going to sell she. As a come she have that.
What go sell who?
The two of them, him and Brown Dog.
I'm recording him, recording
So come
me.
them are going to spare off again, but the wise. Can't find this one in the wise.
Okay, alright.
Where shall we go to?
You want Brown Dog are going to sell she that there.
We have first Alright. So the name of the creative face off.
Creative face off. So we can probably switch back from your footage to my footage now, sir.
I guess so. Alright, let's see this. Look at this. No talking. Come on, Alton. Stop it, we've done this and just lean us. Alton.
My God, big up on yourself. Remember to leave a like on the video. Subscribe for your first time. And Lara Gang, make it more.
Babe,
Yeah.
wash out them 2 pants for me. And go up on the road and forward, yeah?
Alright, just left them on the veranda railing.
like that boy, I want to murder him today, you know. Juta! Juta!
Yo, last night the party did shocking the youth. Remember which part we turn up for a girl, them a dash out. The whole time me I look for your dog, you look like you're gone for one whole half an hour.
Then you don't notice that the brown in your stomach back of you. You see how they deny that? I'm telling you.
No, you know. No, you know, boy. Because we are wait to see if you ask about it, you know. But wait till one of them days, mom sketch you.
What you talk about? What you talk about moms they catch and where me get catch? You know how long me I do this youth? Yo, me a veteran in this youth. You see me? A long time me a girl this brother. That me I tell you. Oh, me can't get catch brother. How you talk to man? Nah man.
That's why I have to rate you, brother. See the customers that turn upside of me? Oh, CUITY give him chatty, nah moving on. CUITY give girl around me, nah moving on. Come like a girl and I'm selfish, you know.
You have to know if you chop him pan and girl, you see me? But don't worry yourself, man. Next time me show you how to deal with it. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yo, Juta, I wish you man that come with long thing. Yo, Juta, watch out.
What?
Juta, imagine Juta, imagine Juta. Imagine say you give me a pants and for wash them, I search your pants pocket, them a condom, I see my pocket, Juta. What you deal with? What you deal with, Juta?
What you talk?
What you deal with?
Where you do? Where you ease yourself, man?
Oh, mama, man, you're free, you know. Watch out, you're free, you know, mama. Yo, you need to talk to your woman, you know.
I want to you. Nothing like, no, go. Watch out. Yo.
Nobody say no, man.
Come on, man, why are you all fling on me, you know? Yo, Juta, me a cut, you know.
Cut? Oh, you for cut, brother. You can't cut and you make it happen. B, let me explain this.
What's about?
Brother, you give me thing now when I dance, you give me thing falling up.
We are talking about my
youth. One thing. You can't do this, you're coming on the middle of nowhere.
You can't cut, brother. Dave, let me explain this to you. My youth, remember now? Thing where you give me for putting in my pocket, my youth. And you end up go and left it. Remember good now, man? I remember end up for put it in my pocket.
Yes, mama, I need to give me for you know. I need to give me for all. Sorry, man, you'll come in here to get in trouble, my youth. I may give me for all, man. I may give me for all. How yourself, mama? For me, man.
Yeah, you see,
me give me.
I come cause one bag of excitement time. I don't like them things they know you. School, man. You know some rate already, man. Nothing like that no go on. Just go down, man. Easy yourself, no, man. Just come go down, man, and go wash it. Just go down, man. I know some love you already, man. I know say I don't have shop, me come say me can get something for you. What you want?
Man, next time not take nothing from nobody, and I mean nothing bad again, nothing for hold, you see me? Cause you can hold people things and put you in a trouble, see? Then get condom for one and make me in a problem now. Don't do it next time.
So where you want in that shop?
A rum cream. What a rum cream?
Alright, may I get it for you, man. Just go on and go wash up the clothes, man. The soul coming. Yeah, babe.
Boy, easier. Easier, boy. Tough boy. Tough boy. Easy.
Yeah, man, and someone have to do it, man. You see me? Read. Watch how this look like mom's phone, so.
Boy, mama in a heap, mama drop your phone and not even know.
So how would this send a police car? Hold on, I'm call back the number, yeah.
Hello, baby.
I say I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy Juta hard. I say no boy hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades. Hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. So sometimes man no want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Your daughter do good.
My daughter, she go and go in school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing to call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad thing to call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief and money, she thief and money, and them things them feel embarrassed. You know them way
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she too shy move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you go under fall rules, fall shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I go fix it, man. When mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl putting them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I you with them.
Hello. You know, say your daughter come thief your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it go, you know.
No mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can thief my daughter money. So I want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look, a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see, same thing when I tell about my youth. A be bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money. I come for just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry back your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, B.
Hold this.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, B. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up?
Then you know you talk about.
Come on, listen to me now. No, just not bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never.
Give me
I write
people
it so
the
I sit
money.
down all along. Me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where you talk, but me never steal no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. A lot of them a tell for me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap it nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more fire, you know. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, I'm tell upon him, you know. So I keep my little pit in my yard, you know.
You're sorry. You know someone just took out mommy and our friend them. You know Brianna think Brianna thief your money.
So how I want to thief your money? So I want to thief your money and make your money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want your money, and if you don't get beat her, you little daughter for your money. Come on, down a yard to the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody think money, they want blame family come look like people can't take money. No, I don't know what them doing.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And hear little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him taking money and taking money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I said to me?
Said little girl will come here so with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I said little pitney in time. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who hear the little girl attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so I so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's what I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go at people yard. Cause them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today none all. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I read this some different morning. And I never gonna know where
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, darling. I'm going to walk over there.
I'm going to tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. But you don't want to yeah. Thank you guys for watching this great short film that we create. For your device, you should know that it's CUITY Star of the Shine with a distant punchline. If you were watching official CUITY TV, go over to the AV channel and subscribe and share. You know them way that if you were watching over the AV channel, go over to the CUITY, the official CUITY channel and subscribe, and the link will be in the description. You see me? Have a good day and thank you all for tuning in and give us our support. Blessed love.
And action.
You're sorry. You're not so that's to go. Don't got me careful. You know what?
Well, go on, people. Pick up on yourself. Hold on there. So I know AC I make be nice. Oh no, go on it. Are you guys ready for grace? Are you guys bracing for grace? Some of them and the girl people I take one little spin, go see how that's bombard, see how that storm I treat the place, and I bring her along with me. So I don't know if I plan to come the girl, probably when you see this I want to turn back, or I can decide if I can still come the girl. But yeah, I will see what I'm going on. That's all. Rains is crazy, man. So we are going on the western side where we can see the sea, so we can have an idea of what really is going on. But right now, normally, daytime, like because we don't down here every day, this part of the girl will never look so dark and gloomy and all that. So, yeah. The storm is really here, or it's close by. So I approach the Negral Transportation Center. As you can see, taxis still out there. All of the Western Union them close and all them kind of places, so you see taxis still around. We just spin through bus park, see what's going on up there. Couple taxis still there. Bombard, this is a man of skill. The people don't look on this man and carry back and rain and fall like wow. I know saying half year get wet. So 1 and 2 taxis still there, bus park people. Da-da-dum, 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 brace for grease. So we are going on the beach and look like some people stranded down there, so. God. I mean, you know, I don't think we can manage one storm right now, I swear. But everything we are going with corona and curfew and crime. God. So the weather stay up for now, and people, all the people them were hold on there. Give me like a FaceTime there. All the people them up the line or else you're in Jamaica. You can tell me in the comments how the weather stay down where you're there. Jaja, boss is still out in the hustle. Me bumpy Jones. Me just can't show them no more. Now man, pan fit to blur need. Wipe off window, my general. Well, the tree them not really blow side to side, so the wind is not here as it, just the water. Gas station still operational for right now. But yo, the sky look really scary. I mean, even when it rain in Negril and it really overcast and the clouds and black, it just never looks like how it looks right now. So for the most part, all the business places I'm still open. Just heavy rains, really heavy rains. Ja. People them star Johnny. What them are people are not afraid of weather, people? Oh, people on a Pizza Hut stand or not Pizza Hut, Popeyes or other pizza place the name. And taxi still down here. Taxi still there, people, so you can still get taxi. Jaja. Alright, we are gonna look on the scare part now, guys. On the west end. Put them still up there, Jaja, God. Me know nobody no one there see right now. Oh, good. Yo, people wanna see how he seen. He see look calm as blurred neat. But me no like how the water look down here, so guess who I turn back? Yeah, Lara turn back right now. This is enough for me. I'm already scared. No, because the sea look like he could get miserable at any time. See me? But the sea really look calm though. So I guess we're not get no wind yet. Or me can probably wrong because it's some wave rolling the bombard. Let's get out of here, Akeen. Big body of water look really scary right now, I swear. And we just can't show them no more. Andrew, on a bridge one fix right up here, so one big old pothole in the road. Just to make Andrew know what's going on, you see me? Yeah. So we are currently on, what's the name? Norman Manley Boulevard. People are going to hear some annoying noise. I'm going to just play some music for that section. I can turn on the AC, and the AC have one really annoying sound. So, yep. So like right now, alright, never mind. Yo, the road empty. The road empty. She's right. Storm a come. Everybody for there then yard. But I don't understand with them, man, is turn on your light, clown, you know, see, say people can't see you real good. But it look like up a boulevard good though. No flooding now going up also. No flooding now going nowhere actually. I think this man, I don't see though, I don't see what going. So me I go turn back. I don't think nothing interesting to see up the road more than just rain and rain and rain and rain and rain. Rain. John, no, I should have one girlfriend. I'll wrap up with her, you know. That was a joke. That was a joke. That was supposed to be a joke. So we are go back home, man, people. Not interesting, not the upper surface, really. Relates to the hurricane and all of that, like somebody punch or something. But differently though, as you can see the road full of water, I wouldn't advise nobody become a nigga right now, none at all, no way down yourself. Just left that until storm gone. Norman Manley or Norman Manley Boulevard, that's the name, I think so. No, correct me if I'm wrong. They are that travelers, to be exact. But I can't see them clear water them on the road.
bring something there, excitement to me. I like here when hurricane come and storm blow. You see whole like tree them blow down and say, right now, we don't like it. That just means a current gone, internet gone. No YouTube, no videos, you know what hurricane, no storm, can't manage that. Andrew, you see where your patrol cars, my boss see that? Patrol I want to fix a 2-man just see that. I don't think I joke, man. Out of nigger less up, over the bridge. You know where they say prostitute then? Yeah, my boss, come fix your road. No, say that you specialize in fix roads. After this one, you might have a few roads to fix. I go back in now, people. Yeah. So, the taxi man is still active. No storm can't stop them. Look like a breeze that start now. That will not pass us at first. We never have no trees, I never see like how them are going now. Oh, look like squaddy out there now. Like the boss saying I'm gonna get some food. Not choice. That might have to I don't know what they're got. So people, like that, brace for grace, brace for hurricane or storm or whatever it is, grace. As you know say, taxi then still operate down here, so down here, we basically good right now. Down here Negril, good, but not good if you come down here up and down. So yeah, we have to go back in now. Little more, big up on yourself. And yes guys, me down at Jamaican City, Richard Brown Films. I don't see no shooting going on, but I see them edit and I get one movie recently, I don't really know what going on. So that's why I don't see them kind of videos right now. And I currently at work and I movie myself, and I tell you say there's a movie channel, link in the description. Yeah. And big up all the members then, big up everybody we support. Big up everybody. Big up Andrew, big up Maroon Boss, big up Police, everybody. One love, like more. You got it.
I like how you know so I can't play. I'll bet your girl now.
So yeah, so too. Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So you give me first move, see table line out there now. I have flip a kind.
Go flip the kind then, man. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Chief, you not regret that.
See, a girl, you have big pants too.
Yeah, I lose, man. Looks like a little girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, you know, man.
See, you're confused. You're not if this is how you're playing. You're playing, man. I'm not a thief, man. You think you that man and FIFA? Look like you don't like your girl, little brother. Alright, you're playing. Swear.
Game too early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
What go on, sir?
What go on? Come here. You ain't more and papa off, you know. You know, a long time I want to chop off this man and next, isn't it? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Betting there, no, general. I'm not change the betting. The girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today. But it's not me.
You are going now. I don't flip my kind, you know, because me that win look wild. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. You dead first.
Brain I use my one.
The brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use the brain.
I chop that. So I left you another hole if you're wild. So I chop that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your whole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that whole of your neck belly tear out the whole brother. In the network. You can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being of them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take the whole. When him go so, bam. Him go so bam. Ramp in there, you count alone if you're a bad man. With about 2 little soldier, you know.
Me not see.
Better put up yo, better take your girl. I play like you want me to say, oof, you're thief, brother. Oh, sorry.
Never say you get oof first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know, see, you're gonna lose your flesh.
What one, Papa?
You know, some day I go and take a walk on the road there.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I lock the pan my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things you have on your mind? So what kind of things you have on your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me you grew up and you ever tell me what's on your mind?
You know, say nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. Because me I go to school, me always have them dream business and, you know, and I have this wet dream business, but never know say in a man in them things that happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and me see me and I look for no reason.
That you never want to tell me? Papa, that's how that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow it out.
No man, I grew up that long time man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear so later we talk.
Alright youngness, take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother Popeye. I'm really concerned about Popeye.
You can't concern about Popeye. You say my Popeye a madman. Anyways, what you say doing?
You know, so for go on, so. You don't for go on, so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave, so. Because look, while I go, I see him, and I come down, and I say to me, say, yo, I think about all type of things, and I think about puberty, and when he did young, anything, so I go to school, I go have puberty, but he never knows, say, a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because I want somebody to talk to.
What kind of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness you come to me about? About puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I heard me for running out of the bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? I now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make Popeye stay so. I come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
You say you come slam man door come talk about puberty. You say the one Popeye. The man you waste man, you know.
Alright, tell up Alton. Come back for Professor Alton. Run for me, sir.
Yeah, sit down.
Yeah, we're going to go and jog out the first floor.
Okay, John.
Ready?
When did you?
Chucky, you do something to me. I say pass a teaching, man. I'm traumatized.
Wait, we must have passed to crucify him, you know. So you crucify you too?
No. that him know the answer about it.
Yeah, she got to, you know what, I don't sexy, so I sexy, yeah. I told me no one put it in kids them ears. What I'm getting too far. What's the pasta?
Yeah, I like your smile. Come on.
So she crucify you?
You do something to me. Cutie never do this there yet.
That seems extreme.
I think Cutie did bad. He bad or Cutie.
I feel bad at 20 years, you know. But you will do. Take that room.
What am I going to do to sit her up?
It's like going to sit up with father, easy man, just tell life on her. Tear your shirt. And call police for that. Hey, officer, smile. What? Oh, yeah.
Pulling in that shot, man.
No, you're not careful. Officer, smile.
Alright, so.
One second. Alright, shit. I don't know why I shot.
You good man, so where are you shoot back for Officer Smiley part?
No.
No.
I want to show how I reach on.
But a lie I tell the girl can not do nothing.
Alright. Yeah, no. But what we are going to do now? Chucky can't go link now.
After you get locked up?
No man, no matter. Just a shot. And then me and him going to do something. And then him go somewhere else and go somewhere else.
So that before you get here or after you get here?
Before blow come man. So
Okay.
that is
So which part? When we split it on with Chaka. At that time you had to split up.
Alright, yeah, it could have worked with this one. Or you do something else here.
I feel your pitney dirty. No come to me, say if you come to me about me pitney, you tell me good.
Alright, sorry.
Me pitney not dirty. And your dirty
Big butty not dirty.
tell like from Jaja.
The son.
Somebody something now?
Hold me down and take him back.
Yes, I say you pick up and say dirty pitney.
Take him back juice and me bulla and pick the bulla.
Say yes, you see your dirty son.
So a money me want, me come because I mean no money no. From when me no get food,
Yes,
no
I will
taxi.
only yes, me and the lost long and so no come for money all
No, me no from when me no run on taxi and I one little money me have and my daughter hungry.
Who
and me
tell
buy
us that my pitney take away your pitney bulla?
A big boy 11 this?
Yeah, big boy 11. And my daughter tell me so.
Your daughter is a liar. I out there your daughter dirty, your
I
bright
realize still a cat dick. If my daughter come tell me that still me not ask some question. Me not ask some me not ask some question. Me not ask some question.
Look your daughter, look my son about your phone, don't tell lie. Wait man, hold on a second.
See I pick up your son Johnny. I know nobody pick me big.
I lie not tell upon him. This time I may take off him. Leave him alone.
Because you know saying just it's sitting before you left out the yard.
Right.
Alright. Alright, so we're so ready. Where you enjoy that?
Do the first part. Do the first part.
No, come back somebody come running down there.
Oh, do the first part then.
Yeah man, we do all of that. No, start. No, yeah, no. Go right back, come find. Let me start. Come inside.
Ready. Come, my daughter, come. We are good on team, mother. Come on. Miss Candy!
Yes!
Look my vibrant, I know nice. So I call Lord to cut out the invoice. Everybody do that chat. Ready? Come, I'm ready.
Subscribe my people. This is Big Boy 11 coming to you at your home.
Coming to the nearest TV to you. Tell me ready. What I shot, Papa?
Oh, me not shot.
Better duck behind the bar. Duck behind it, sir.
Ready?
Papa, where are you at this, sir? Bend down. Bend down, Papa. Candy!
Yes!
thieving boy. Thief, my daughter bag juice and bulla.
How can pick me and call thief? Come to me, come and make one complain or what? You can't come to me, so.
Give me the white. Yeah, give me a minute.
I'll make your time so strong.
You know what say? You look a thieving boy, thief, my daughter bag juice and bulla.
Who for pick me and call thief?
Not there, boy.
When me pick the thief from you, if you come to complain to me about something, you can't style me pick me as no thief. Why you do now? Me tear down now. Why you do?
It means that it's tear down.
Everybody a complain and I tell lie upon him. Sure.
Come here. Candy, so tell me now, how you want to come to you? Your son thief my daughter, bag juice and bulla. And imagine, I want money me have and me give me daughter, you know. And I like say, boy, me I run taxi like a first time, nothing and go on. You understand? And she ask me, say she hungry, tell me say she hungry. And me give her and she go buy. Don't I shop this and in take away. Take you away.
Listen to me now. When you come to me to address my son, no want you address my son good. Not because everybody a call up in him. You sure say my son thief no bulla and no bag juice from your daughter? Your daughter thief and you look like a thief. You no bright thing. Everyone now in this community a call up me picking name chewing bad. How was so?
Alright.
Go on where you go taxi driver. You get hungry now.
Your son, I go put you in a big problem. Me no
He always put me in a trouble. Me used to it. Girl, which part you know they go? You and your daughter a thief. My son and no thief. No left him alone.
That's some woman. That's some pain time.
Yes, take up for them treatment.
I don't want him for anymore. No, so you say no, because when you don't cause no one income, you beat him and tap his body.
Yes.
Big boy. You gonna meet the vibe.
Richie, the price of the big one you told.
How much of it?
With God Almighty, alright.
I don't want
Don't forget none, because you make it there. I don't forget that you get one. Go on in back.
Dream your dream, Shakaberry. Imagine, you're asleep and you just wake up and get toes in your one.
No, I went in here and not talk about the money up in here and say want to.
But you get toes, normally you get toes.
He must sleep. He get no. Him toes now, he must get money for toes.
Get no. Later.
I come to kill him.
Yeah, come catch him in my bed with my woman. Anyway, I catch him in the auntie. Kill me and kill him, you know.
No, you can't kill me, son.
You ask him, say, hold on, if you are no cousin.
Oh, ask
Let
him
me go
that
back.
again.
No, that way, no listen.
Let me ask him that already.
Right, you have to say if I come, I come for killing
Yeah,
your
so
cousin.
say, yeah.
So yeah, I come for killing yes. So I never know say me and my cousin.
Yeah.
But him in a bed with me woman.
Yeah, alright.
Alright now, Tom.
Yeah, I kill me come to kill him. He never know say me and my cousin. But in my bed with my woman.
Okay.
Yeah. So then you can't go and say me never wait say before, but it sound like it said to him say. Listen. Yeah, my cousin. I forgive him. I don't feel him father. And him father.
And that's listen. You know what it is?
Yeah. You know what it is?
Yeah, something similar to that.
Something similar? Alright, action.
By the... No, we can't...
What?
By the...
Most of them, they seem to see there. So
Me and that shit will right, man. Him change.
No, him change, but me I thought it can be similar.
No, different thing. I want to make sure say exactly, precisely what they must say. Alright, respond to him as now.
Cut out the foolishness. You're going to kill your cousin for one woman. And so much woman out there in the world where you can get. When you kill your cousin, you gone to prison. That make no sense? No. Listen to me, man. You need to calm down. And your cousin, remember. And stop the foolishness now. Anyway, where your grandmother? When last you see him?
Yeah. If I'm me and she come ask my grandmother. Listen to auntie man, I cut you, I try to cut me, I go ask my grandmother.
Look, when you shot them what you just catch? Yeah. Me not catch no shot with, I want to do shot with him in 9 pants.
I'm not coming to come for this one, I just don't want to wait for you go for the match up. The better me shoot you while I'm there, so So you can't tell him auntie you want to go ask about God. What you tell him about grandmother say?
Yeah?
What you tell him about grandmother?
I mean, tell us a long time in a country, you know.
So listen,
I
auntie.
mean, a long time in a country, but I feel they can't come cut that, you know.
You don't cut off the argument.
What Pete there?
Exactly.
Yeah.
No man, they give my name this, you know.
Pete.
All my name that man.
Pete, I feel like much here.
Ready?
Pete, how much me here?
Alright, so we tell him and action.
I hear me, auntie. A long time in a country still, you know. But you feel like say you want to cut me off and when me come here, boy, you know, where Pete there, that me come here, boy. Come catch him today, my woman, right now, auntie. You want to get Pete this?
Don't move. Why?
Right there, up. Right there, up.
So we are ready to the board. So what you say now?
Come in now.
Are you ready for DJ? Alright, me tell you, hold on. Action.
Auntie, me want to hear what you say now. Me I hear boy say that me can't even hear what you say now, auntie. Because I hear what I know. Sheep no fly far from black. So him and his father same thing. Sheep no fly far from black. You must get two of them black.
No bother with it.
Auntie, anytime I hold him like there, yeah. A black thunder.
No bother with it. I mean, I know you can't.
Come on. Then you don't attack.
Of course, chicken fly far from that.
Chicken far from black.
Yeah.
No,
I mean, the same thing where do I send you pick your
So no, you man understand that.
Chicken
Well, black, no black coming.
No chicken no fly far from black.
Me dey think about it, we see it, watch him man. So we go cut out somebody. Come back. When him a go, when him a walk away.
Who want to mess with me now?
Watch him, how
who give him cigarette? Papa, I'm not even drunk, you know. Come
on, PR0MI cigarette.
How me say that for me?
Anytime
When I walk with candy. When him a walk away, you have to put out there and say. No. Say it, not say it like that directly to him. Can I talk about it? I think somebody still come back.
I mean, just say I walk away and say, yo woman, watch your mouth now.
No, I ask you.
No! I want to shoot a hand.
When you walk away. I walk it over, you don't walk. Alright, so let's pretend like I walk it. No talking. No, something. No talking. And action.
Stay about your woman. Like a one woman day in the world. Your little friend Friday. Gladys, let me tell you something. That the girl the way they worry up over and they kill up yourself over like she no Queen of England. That girl is a long time whore. A long time her name spread all over the place. You think a little man can deal with that the girl and they talk about it? Them a talk about it. Her name they all over the place. So go on like you want big up woman when not even want you. She did well and know say your cousin. A dirty girl and you is a fool. But you can't chat about woman like an undecent woman. Could you too? The girl smarter than you.
Come here now. Tom, stay ready. Come right just set the focus. Brownie, step inside. Come right just set the focus.
Right, sir?
Yeah. So when Candy start talk and you reach right as you tap and turn round and say, auntie, I told you I'm an auntie still, you know. Yeah. You know, get peace of this I do.
Yeah.
Yo, me there with my cousin, woman, and me there with my cousin. What I show you? One more.
Yeah, man, you're real family, Ram.
One more.
You are one more cousin with David. I really family, Ram. Alright, just step in. No talking. No nice. No nice. Yeah, step in. No nice. Go back in. Candy. As soon as you walk out and reach right, let's get start. And as you step out ready. Candy. Yeah, tuck in your waist, man. Alright. So, and action. No man, walk off first when you reach. Come on here.
Alright. Alright. Walk off with us.
No, don't tuck in.
Yeah.
Walk off in here and when you reach right, that's your start. Tuck in.
Yeah.
So Candy, as you reach right, that's and I walk, you talk. And as you reach right, that's you pop. and turn around and look for your auntie. When Candy don't talk, you say auntie. You see, if me never have to call you auntie, you don't see what mal to you in idea, and then you walk off.
Yeah.
And action. Candy. Candy, you wait till you reach so far, but at least ready to step out and go. And action, no nice. Action.
Both your woman. Who you two? That the girl they when they walk and go and sleep with much man, they can't chat about woman.
No talking.
Auntie.
Hold on, just look on her a little bit. Look on her for around 3 seconds, and then you start talking. Ready now?
Auntie.
That the girl.
Don't talk, Candy, don't talk.
What was it?
Don't talk.
Oh, him.
Just look on Candy for a couple seconds so we can hold that shutter before, like
Yeah.
3 seconds or so. And look on it like shutter. Alright, Candy, just start a little bit and then stop. Start a little bit.
Both your woman. A woman them there, we are sleep all about with 1 million man, you must be mad.
Auntie, you say if me and you never family me for call the auntie, now make you get one out of this too.
Back to the same that shall reach.
Stop it, Candy. Go on.
Hey, get up.
Go on. Hey, Candy, I have to say that Candy tell like a papa, you know. She have to have the last word. Alright, walk on now, Tom. Alright, good. Alton, no. Alton.
Oh shit.
What?
When you come in, when you
Okay, man. Alright, come on, go up on the front. We can always get one and edit when you're going.
Yeah.
Oh, you see. I did say.
We know. Come, Alton.
Alton must say.
Yeah, man, we can do it, man. Come, Alton.
One now.
Alton. Come right just man. Come right just Alton. See how we are doing that. Come right just. Alright, Alton. Alright, come right Alton.
You know, you sure don't want to catch me seeing me and what, brother, something?
No, we need a priest to show them the right, so we need a thing.
Yo, sorry, that bad boy.
Are you a come for alright, that's all? Ah, just see you pull back. Walk around this and come right round and come round. Understand? And then we'll come over here. Yo! General, look, stand up over here, just 1 second here. Come on, right just. I'm going to know you don't want to go no far in front of you, don't you? Where's the only tongue you want to reach? You're a big man, but you're going with a bag of things.
I don't want to get all that home easy, you know, so I don't want no crease in my face, so I have to go on like I'm a picnic.
You have to do that for exercise. Tongue, I say, whole age, you know.
Move them the water
All the time, you have a video of me. We continue shot, I want to keep the camera rolling, the man tap on something to go in this up. Why are you serious? And him a video of me. Alright, ready now?
Comfy boy, you see me? Cause the boy come over my yard.
I'm going right this side behind the grave, behind the grave.
No man, by the time we just come out and gone.
Yeah, somebody expect if you come right this and hide behind this.
No
man, this man. Hide behind this one. Hide behind this one, no. Hide big, just squeeze crosses and hide behind this one. And turn up. Till when him left now and come, we catch you coming nicely.
You didn't mean to see me? Okay.
You after when him left, ready now? Wait, hold on. Which part of that conversation? Should I make you go back? Look at it.
and come back.
No man, just talk, find one partner conversation with you and tell him about what happened. Make it all can pass.
Yeah.
Alright, no talking!
So auntie, early this morning me get up and go see you. And my woman never tell me about she got that.
I didn't start talking, I want you to come. Because I don't want you to take too long to walk across the sea. Let me like where you go with the sea. No, here, it's good you talk about the sea, but tell him how hard you have to work out at sea. I risk your life.
Yeah.
So yeah, go this way. Alright, and action.
Auntie, I early me go see this morning which you know fishing, auntie. You see me? Alright now I work hard at sea, auntie. To take care of that daughter, you know. And to see my own cousin gone in the eye. Beg! Auntie.
Alright, good, don't move. Alton, come out and go behind the curtain. Beautiful. Right now. Very good, don't move. I do like a Yankee 1 million shot, you know. Yo! I'm get that right, that's what I want to get my shot from, man.
Right, that's it.
No, behind me.
Yeah.
Talman, what was I saying?
Right.
No, one like, pretend like you talk.
No, look
Pretend like you
how
talk.
Yeah.
You want to talk to Candy?
Auntie, early this morning me go see you.
Right, good. Alright, so Alton, I go shoot on scene for right just so now. I start on just say something and walk out side of you, then you come round. No, hold on. I just so aha. Talman, go back at the spot, I just want to shoot it. Go back at it.
Yeah, right.
Right, okay. So this is the scene now. When I start on walkway, as I walk out that scene, then you have to move. I'm not supposed to say Talman. Talman, come out that scene complete. Come out that scene complete, you don't need it. Very hot. Alright, right now, Alton. Go me. Go back. Alright, watch me out there. Alright, watch me out there. Focus. Alright, now, Alton. Come on, let's focus. Come on, right. Alright, go back and come on. Jesus Christ, Bazin come say, Jesus Christ, Pete. You come like me sit here and kill me 4 times. Yeah.
Feel like a time for me end my BTS then, Mr. Brown. So, just tell you what I go on to the scene first and so I can close the BTS. Thank you. Hold on, man. Let Mr. Brown talk a little bit now with any BTS. Yes, I tell you what I go on to like a shooter. Hold on. Yeah.
Alright, so we ask me say again.
What I go on with the movie? I ask you what I go on BTS. Me just show the scene. What the movie name again?
Okay. This movie, you know, in Jamaica we have this saying, we're not going to use the word good soup, family run business.
Yeah.
So this movie, we are bringing across that
a good soup sitting, yeah.
A family run business.
Yeah.
So we are embodied because there's a lot of saying in Jamaica, but a lot of time it's not embodied in movies. So that we are doing.
But I want to have story can done, Jamaican story can done. Yeah. Alright, big up yourself and thanks.
And if anybody out there have none of the old time reading book, make you get one. You know the old time primary school reading book here?
Or Pam and Sam and all that, you know?
I'm fine. One scene left, last scene left. Cut the walking.
Oh, BTS I record. Ready now? So we have Richard Brown here, new actress there, Talman.
Don't start from the scene like that.
Popeye.
Yeah, come from the bowl here.
Shaka Berry up there, so.
Ready.
Candy over there, so. Alton. Fire Racing.
Yeah, go on now.
Tonight is the second night of lockdown. Last night, we said we were going to party, drink some rum and we just asleep. Tonight we're going to party. We have more rum at the bar. You better know. Look on. Now we're yourself, you know. You see, after the lockdown done and the boss pay, we come here, man. So now we're yourself about it. But tonight, you see that we don't want to ask somebody to pick nobody nothing. So that's gun time. So tonight we're going to party enjoy ourselves. So, what I'm going to do, we're going to send the sister back again down there. We'll get up some more rum. Get some more rum later. We're going to beat first. So I'm going to beat first. You see, I get in the mood now. You never like me, but remember.
No, I'm not like you.
Your man did us, so if you behave yourself. Alright, I'm now.
Yeah, my general.
What am I going to do?
Come on. So I say your boss, I can't be there.
No, I'm going to do it, so. So I say now. What kind of clothes your man are going? What's that?
No, there is. I can get some shot, I can. I get some shot on your way, so shit.
More on the shop? Answer me.
Yeah, that's like that.
Alton? Richard?
Let's go.
BTS.
Yo, why not me see?
Why you don't forget wine?
No man, don't top it eyes man.
No time, let's go.
Stop looking at the camera, come on.
Look on Candy, look at your sister.
Yeah, I look on Richie. You
can't hold on for him, man.
No.
Ready,
no, should they say something? Oh, wait, did it say? Wait, say something. Where did it say?
So what?
Well, rum or something.
Rum, must go get some rum.
Oh, you did say something. Wait,
We're going to send them, go send a sister down there. Where we go get? It's a rum.
Say again.
You say when? Rum or oh?
When? That's a when.
When
So
rum?
no, most of them down there. Let's go get some rum. Go party tonight.
Say rum, when, and how.
Alright, ready. So, yeah, we're going to shop.
Yeah.
We'll send a sister with some more rum again.
No, when that? When?
Tonight, the young general
Oh,
goes
no, me and him not go nowhere.
I'm not asking answer.
No, you can't tell me that me not go nowhere.
Oh, you have a sit there.
Yeah, the target sister come and shoot in front of them.
Couldn't feel for left.
Wait. Say it again for you look around and say you not going to
Yeah, send her good up on the bar.
No, I'm not going nowhere.
Yeah, so
no.
No, I'm not go. Or you can't send me go nowhere.
Yeah, figure.
Hey, watch me.
You guys know. You better not go by shop.
Yo. Stop the laughing.
I'm here saying you from
I laugh too much now.
Ready. You mess up.
You know. You should be coming away for a long time.
No, why we are sending from again? You did buy fan. Go for
New rum,
The police come feed, man.
Oh, the police come
The
for
police get the rum.
Okay.
Watch
Oh, for true. I don't know right. Wait, give me now. Give me.
Hold on.
You sent from last night. And you give your police for the rum. But we know some see circumstances still. So we go on some more rum tonight. But no, after that, when the lockdown done, we go pay back for the room. So don't worry about local bill. Because just right down in the head and see what we take. You know what I mean? Know yourself, man. But now we just want food. That's the second night lockdown, you know what I mean? So we don't want it boring. Because we work too hard in the sun. We don't enjoy ourselves in the yard. So, the sister, what you said, kind of mentally, we don't really hurt her.
Mental.
If anyone want to just like I said, like night. Alright, so what more do we make your brother-in-law when we look more sensible? We don't mind shop. Give him the key, make him go down there get some rum. Yo, daddy, I give back one flask rum again and chase her. You know what I mean? And no try no stunt. Oh, but you know routine already I go on. They don't care bread and some come to make breakfast. So you don't have to tell about the sex, you don't like talk too long. You do that fast now. Anyway, you see as soon you may say now, as soon as him go and get the rum, we will a shower. You know what I mean? What kind of clothes the man have here? Can't fit me?
Yeah, the animal the same there.
Can't fit the general too?
Yeah, man.
So we want 2 suits of clothes now to wear. You know what I mean? So come with 2 suits of clothes.
Yo, my general, like how me there to me, I can get some clothes.
Yo, we not care about no man.
You don't know. You're good man. You don't like say I
I don't understand how you wear man clothes.
Who the can't have no killer girl I know?
Wait. Yo, come. And you go catch me auntie, say, you can get and change me.
Wait, nobody said. You just saw it, say,
I will say a while ago. I will say to you a while ago.
I thought you just said something about bait.
Oh, me, yeah, bait and plant.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I say, yo, laugh chat, man, when I care about no money, we are talking about bait. You stay the same way. So I say, yo, lucky say you all are living to that right now. Don't say nothing, man.
So let me ask you a question. Let me look up a little bit and say, tell the brother and laugh first.
Stay the character, you know.
Yeah, we're going to tell the brother and laugh, we're going to think them. No, make him roll and catch some shot and be slow there, so.
Brother.
We're going to tell the brother and laugh the thing them because we're like your sister and we don't have sense. You know what I mean? We don't want to hurt her.
Nobody kill her.
So you're on the general.
Yeah,
you go on the bar. You go put on the bar. You know what I mean? Go get the romance. You never have for life. Because you know the routine of what go on. You think no funny move. So, how kind of clothes the man have? New clothes me talk now. We never wear it. Yeah,
some of them wear and some don't wear.
Want two new suits and I have because friend man, their friend bills can. So you general, we no can get two shirts, one shirt put on. Yeah, what? You see, if you follow a routine, then by tomorrow. But tonight you go party and I said to the band. You hear me?
No, we have to change. Can't party and sit because we have to change.
Hello, Siki.
We have to change.
Hello, Siki. Don't play it.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, the boss one head in a yours.
Right, let's go. So you must know. Let him out. Three mama give go get.
No, something else you ain't say. Yo, say.
No, where
I
is
say
that?
wear man clothes.
Something else say wear man clothes. Yeah, that's what I say. Something and then close up and say, yo, we just want to keep, please, let me just shoot your sister and done.
Yeah.
Ready, sir.
I never know say you wear man clothes. I want
Yo, we can't shoot.
what you doing now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, love. What are you thinking? I think we're gonna,
Wait. We are continue to say it, and then she say it and then it's real.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. So, want some new clothes, you know. What you talk about? You see how? But you look like mad, you know.
One to me.
You see if you never mad?
Are you mad? You look sick more than me.
Nobody do her nothing. Can I tell a long time that she leave her medication when she come
No, I said.
What kind of
everything good.
Nobody kill her, I want to stand here.
Yeah, we know, man. No, I said, man. Because I have family still just like him, so like that, so anytime. But I said, no, differently.
Then
Yo, we can tell
me make that girl that sleep on
no, man. No, man, he good, man. She good. Yeah, come on, say, go get the room. Get the room and fall back. Alright, good. You take one before that. Before that, you take a shot when he asks Candy when Candy respond. When he asks Candy, so what size and Candy say man and him do a shot. What the new clothes them? Can I go new clothes them? You never catch Candy. Ask him about the clothes, you never catch Candy.
It's good.
The man have no new clothes around there.
Yeah, you wear some of them you may have some new one in there.
Can't fit me, I'm general.
Yeah, see him body build. He's a 32 one in your large.
Alright, so go get some of them. But you man say no. Go get the room first.
Alright, come get
one is a man exit. When he exit, more you have two of them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, when you attack, like your sister. Let's go now.
Yeah, chapter 5. Yeah, robot 5. Ready?
That's it. Yo, we may say no. You man have some new clothes on there.
Yeah.
I'll go get some new clothes.
Oh, alright. Start over back.
Come on, ready?
Yeah, man. You say man have new clothes on there.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get two new clothes and be down with that vibe. Yo.
Yeah, but Jenna.
No, I tell her they say mad, you know. And she say. Very well.
I just mad, man.
So what the part with the UK?
No.
What you want? Yo. I just mad, you know, when I shoot in the face.
Nobody kill her. I want to stand here.
God is now killing me now. Because it's not in my face.
Right now, one would have gear and make she go sleep and I wake up.
Alton, you have to do it over. Try with him just attack, man.
No, man, you good at the reaction you want.
Come
let's go. You know, say if I did me a play curious and roll, I did that chat, but I'm figure one with the gun.
Yeah,
key one too, man. We can't tap it. Hold that. Come, ready.
Come in.
Hold that.
Oh God, we left him alone out there all the shit.
But I know why boss can't go for our shooting time.
You know what show?
No, you can't sing it, so baby.
Go here.
You know, say man can't come and babysit time and that. Flew and everything the road. You think that time mother.
Oh, it's Eddie.
Yo, come on, paint yours, you know.
Yo, my girl.
Daddy, you know,
this
this
thing you do when you are being told. You spoke when you have been spoken.
One funny bed.
No, I took that.
One funny bed.
Let me say iron.
Yeah.
Stay funny bed, baby.
Let's go.
No.
So more send out there you go to the door, yeah?
Already, you said that man, you come pull me.
You pull it out, man. Oh. So you must have time, man. So
Yeah, anything you say.
Tell me. See if I can. Yeah, where you drink, tall man?
You don't know what's a rum, you know.
So you get one flask of rum and chaser. So you go kiss a present, tall man.
No, I tell me I tell him say my roommate.
Bad man, you call roommate.
My roommate.
Bad man, you call roommate.
Yeah, man. So you want party tonight? You love party? You love it tonight?
Yeah, you must look like you want DJ. Come on, you make a DJ for
You can't let me DJ.
Come on, pull back the chain and we can dance the shampoo. Yo, what now? You want somebody with that gunfight as if I say a chat.
Trash.
You piece of early, man.
Even though anything serious, you know, you're a madman now.
You ready? Ready. No, pull.
Yeah, do it fast, General. Do it fast. Not the police, not from police. Lock the door. Alright, you go on now.
Yes.
Yo.
One rum.
Yeah, get some over Nabi.
What rum and one flask hour?
One flask and something.
And chaser.
Flask and chaser. Get me sitting there. You call it melon in a high cool. Melon in a high cool. Melon. Cranberry water and some cup. Ready? Let's go.
Rum and cranberry water.
Yeah, high cool. Let's go.
You shall catch me come back at our time, make me put her over there.
Yeah. Go with this one. Don't get fire first. Go with it.
Take about 2 on them, like what you chat too much. You chat is like you chat too much. Give 2 on them one time up. You can't get no problem. Yeah man, so come from the clothes then. Come so far, General.
Oh, me General.
Tear up enough, because she give no problem enough.
Quiet.
Wait, come time. Come in here.
Come now over there, sir.
You actually want duct tape on mouth.
Enter early now.
Ready?
Yes, most. I understand the temperature in here.
You chat too much, you know.
China, what you do with that? You try man, what you do with that?
Yeah. Yesterday, I go on with a back attitude. Yeah. You can't have a bad girl. One thing, when I bust up your face one time. You look up on yesterday, I say, you see if you want them to rub up there road, man, kicking on your body. You know that.
You can't do that.
So you want them to rub up there. I'm saying, look like I'm a DJ, and I want a DJ on this thing. I mean, they're on now, girl take cut.
Come on.
Now you see that PR0MI.
Yeah, I lose. You have to tie up on time.
Alright.
I ain't trying to say
PR0MI they have found yesterday.
You're lucky, I'm supposed to.
You know that be a motor, but you know say come up on the DJ and I tell you, this is I want your DJ for you. You know what? And yesterday PR0MI they have, you know.
So I'm to want to.
What you mean, man? You just both you out of your teeth there.
What you do with that?
I want to tell you. So you know, make no move me that more than this.
Alright, come on, catch some work. Try my minute. Come on, town.
type on the
You try mine where you do with that. You try.
No, time over.
Time over. From yesterday. Me attitude. You know, say the type on the DJ.
You try mine where you do that, you know. You try mine where you do with that.
The look some man come pan up.
You can't do nothing.
You know that.
That's all you can do.
A man come pan up on the thing. Yeah.
Alright.
Run and say no. If you go and watch her. Towel.
How you wanna sweat? How are you, lizard?
Me?
Hmm?
Me a sweat, man. You feel like me not sweat?
Oh, you not sweat? We're visible.
You done with this?
Okay.
Yeah, them two come on.
Someone has to take off
Fire!
his shirt now.
You think I feel shot to come? Why not, man?
We're not top trouble, Papa.
And this morning, so far, take out the real one.
It's up on the bed.
That's why I took the real one.
Hold on.
Where want you throw up on your Papa?
No, not that one. Like, you know, the real something.
I don't know.
You know, itself,
When I up me doing them, I'm beside eating and
Yeah, brother, I still there now, man. I work with it.
Alright. Gandhi, I will come out and now.
People in my work. Me sweat
So,
the most, so now I'm
so
fire
fire,
there
so-
now.
So, when Richie come back, fire that bathroom a bit.
Eh? Now man, fire go come out and then me I go bait and come back out. So me I watch you and
So I'm gonna the show.
So Richie not ready for come back?
Yeah?
You not go up
Yeah? Yeah,
So, alright, so fire not ready for come back yet?
Me here to pull up.
My put on in clothes.
No man, you're good. Ah, yeah, the shoot fire so. The shoot fire so one straight through scene, you know me?
Alright, I'm catch over.
One straight through
I want to make
scene.
sure I say tell. I don't want to catch Richie coming.
Shaka Bear, tell the people if you go subscribe to your
Richie
channel.
not come back in there.
Guys, go subscribe to
The fire come out for Richie come back in.
Watch him.
Alright, so, you see now we're done with Candy a party and wine night here. Candy, world I see our wine and all.
Page, a business page, Instagram.
Come stand up, I'm not here.
No, I'm not need to stand on my tie up.
Yo, she full of attitude, is he?
Tell her.
I need you guys to stop.
How that feel? How that feel, Panya?
You don't feel no way.
You love that, don't you?
Yeah, kind of my red room.
Careful,
You
enough.
know what is a red room?
Careful.
You know what is a red room?
Careful. I know what it is. I'm gonna tell her, baby.
Yeah.
I don't know, tell me.
You say never the red room before.
Papa,
Papa, you're the red room.
I would go right room.
what is red room? I don't know. What
You
red?
say you know what
I
is
drew up me
a
that
red
make.
room.
I drew up me that make. Wow.
Alright.
You say you know what is a red room.
I drew up me that make. I go Google it, man.
Ask him know.
I don't know, seriously, I don't know. I Google it now.
Anyway, I want to tell the people.
You have to tell me what red room first.
You watch 50 Shades of Grey?
I hear about him, I never get it.
50 Shades of Grey have the red room when you say you can.
Okay. I have a idea. It was alright. So anyways, where's your page name
So,
now?
I want you guys to follow my business page on Instagram, Chris Cosmetic JA. So I sell hair, wigs, like lace wigs.
Oh, I've done this on my page. So.
Let me interrupt. Yes,
She I get what?
It's alright, that's
Can
alright.
if you come back out with the clothes then. Come back around that stuff.
I can't know.
I'm gonna stop. Turn off the fan.
That bathroom.
I'm not gonna need the fan for turn off.
What is it?
So, my friend, you don't have none of your wig them with you?
No, I don't have any with me now. Anybody want order from out of Kingston, well, you can do Knoxville.
So, like, when I go up on the internet on my phone, how I contact you?
Cosmetic JA, KRISS Cosmetic JA.
On Instagram. Okay.
Come over here, come over here.
And not just on the wig, I have like
Lingerie.
Lingerie, body products, glasses, everything.
And then all the man come back with all the liquor.
So hey, you have.
I have the sit down now.
Yeah.
And candy come sit down, but
Well, it depends on the type of box.
to go be down with we will share them fasted and then
But it's not everything
we go to the
posted
party.
online.
Yeah.
And party, after party time now, we are party and we are dance and put on the stick up with the gun.
Yeah.
Let's take up with the gun now, they lock you up.
Yeah.
Go on police and let them close the night.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Depends on the style and me I want to see style and come on back.
Right now, let's go.
When I break.
Alright.
What?
So,
On November.
what I go on now?
But you can still.
Y'all go in that bathroom.
Yeah, and the car close down, that's what I seen there.
Alright, show what I seen
I
now.
like it now too. You know I'm like one of them.
I have the box with them on the page for you. I have wigs and glasses. It's the lens and the Dynasty is sell by that. So I'm now wigs from 17.5 go up to 28, 30.
The wig them are from 17,000 go up to 30.
17,500.
To 30, 17,500. So call it about 18,000 to
28,000. It depends. It's not everything I have on it depends. Because it just started, so it's a small little business that just started, so I'm not everything I have.
So you alone manage it?
Yeah, me alone, my page, my business.
You're gonna need one business partner.
And certainly not a man though.
Certainly not a man.
Yeah.
What make not a man?
I don't know, man love big.
Nah man, how the lady are prejudiced man.
Me no want no man in my business page.
You're too prejudiced man.
Woman things.
A woman
Man love watch woman money.
a woman a go come with the business and get one man and it two of them take it from you.
No, you have man them come in your business and come in your life to see the amount of money where you make. Hey man, what do you No, it's not real. You have no timing. This
So we do it.
How that call you now? A manizer.
What we are doing? Have fun. Live fun.
Oh, man.
Work fun.
What we are doing now?
Man do with integrity.
Wait the camera straight.
Loyalty. Yeah, see they ain't no real. And look at it.
No, I don't want it in the camera, no put it in
Not
there.
real.
I don't in there.
Yes,
It's illegal same way.
Not real. So police can't come fix that.
The police out here if you tear up some rubber together.
Alright, I'm a video now.
This
May
is
have
some
no.
rubber and tear up
yeah,
together.
but persons don't know if it is a robber.
It is illegal,
Well,
sir.
yeah. not Hollywood.
So hold on, so if me take
You
my
can
hand,
have a license.
hold on. If me take my hand and tear up some rubber on it and look like a gun,
Yeah.
police can let me for that?
That don't make no sense.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly my point.
but that different from that.
But you know,
When you go in a court, go tell judge foolishness, make you no go
No,
jail.
me said to judge, say judge. No, me said judge.
First thing you can't talk.
Stick.
First thing you can't talk, so.
You,
In a
if
court.
you can go and hold up
So
people with this, but you can get arrested for it.
No, you can't get arrested for in a possession of that, just like you say.
Ballistic test can't show us that this butter shot.
No,
In a matter.
I understand where I say it doesn't matter, but the
Ballistic
rule
test.
don't make no sense.
Okay.
You don't tell me so me can cut a piece of stick will look like this half of one tree. And take a piece of rubber and tie up it, and tie up it, a piece of stick will look like this.
Richard, do you know the amount of people who can traumatize with that piece of thing we have in hand?
Can it kill anybody?
No, but can you stick up and rob anyone with that?
Ballistic test
You
cannot
can use
prove this.
anything, grab anybody, you can use one.
And you should understand that the law is for that. The law is to stop them things.
You can't get one, throw it back and rub up it.
Alright.
And stick up somebody and rub it.
And you're not supposed to. And you're not supposed
I
to.
understand
Me say a man, you-
Alright, my boss. It's illegal, and it make perfect sense to me. If it don't make no sense to you, then my boss. Alright.
No sense. You can't give me that in there.
Me not find out.
You tell me, so we consider America as a first world country. You can go in and ready, and buy one fake when I go shoot movie. And nobody now trouble you. Ready. You not lock your fire.
Okay.
Anybody that come and make sense.
Okay.
It drop off, tight back, it never find properly.
I'm going to try your good this time. So you know.
What have you done now? What's another man? Make Richie come back with you, bro. He come, sit down. You know what I mean? After that, now, should they go come back? You understand? You will come back.
Then something I traumatize you.
Them strong, something we are shadows from it. You know.
I want them nigger. Never out of water.
Someone is well knocked out.
You can't even tie one rope.
You know, hang you.
John, you have to tie it again so it can pull out.
I'll tell you.
When you got tie up your arm? You said I could pull out. Me I tell him to go tie it up.
I'll tell you, man, walk here, you know. That one, you
Put them big light shirts like something.
there's
You have
one
breakfast.
for DJ, and this way make it easier for me.
AJ, my breakfast.
I Rasta, that's a rough man. No,
That's
sir.
that's why I don't have no woman.
How tell us I not have a
You
man?
don't have no woman. Every woman you get lifted. It's too rough.
That's not what you do.
It's too rough. You're too big and wild and rough.
No, because I will keep my class room. But I know I will go.
I'm gonna look on the Rasta man. So.
Alright. So talk man, let's watch our
Alright, come in the room.
and then Richie come in.
Come in the room and become come here, Richie. We have beard and we come and beard and then we return to the party.
And then done.
You know the party time now, that's when we know get to go to the Ontario.
Are you party? And then done this up.
Yeah, like, you know, like, go to their party. Yeah, more than leak and come back. You're a party at night. Bam, you alone their party. See how look how you do. Come on, dance, but no, I don't say bad thing about the world.
Let me not party.
Yeah, man, we're going to party. So when this man now, drink and I move, so I'm going to say more than leak now. You not take the gun. So when I take gun from him now, by the time I come back, I'm going to sit me up. So in our room, I'm say no.
So when it's to get, that's it? For the scene?
No, we go transfer and Ontario Crown or so. And so we go with easy. We can't call the police in the night. I actually call the police, but no, because no pick up because
No, things are down there, locked down.
The body is locked down.
Police call them now, no gas.
No, they said
lockdown.
Lockdown.
Curfew.
We're not getting nobody at the station.
Too much prank call on the night. But they don't prank me, you know. But in case maybe, so right, we say no, bam. So by a morning light, they will come for me.
Alright. Make it done. How easy one do? Make it done. Then you hot the campfire. Come,
Right now.
you're knock up. Come, Thomas, sit down and make you go and chat some bag of things. Come here, Trey. You alright, you want to sleep?
Hey, later I know. I'm done record BTS for the day, for the night. Now I go rest. So yeah, shake your head for her. You think me like you? Don't like you, no? Watch him. Yo,
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, the lock.
No, lock off the week, man.
Lock off the fan.
Alright, ready?
Fan.
Ready? You can't tell me so one man you have. You think you not get this man you born me gone for run.
Every man get born.
I'm saying, I know you love it when.
Yeah, but every man get born and every woman get born. Pull the door, somebody knock the door. Pull the door now.
Man, I make you go pull it.
No, nothing wrong if I pull it. Pull the door.
Yo.
Yo, I'm come back with the room now.
Alright, my baby.
Hold on there, Richie. Hold on. You don't have to come outside now. You don't have to come out now. Come on.
Can't tell me say you not get a brother.
Yeah, everybody get born. Man get born, woman get born, everybody. All you a get born too, you know. You don't know say I get born.
Yo, you know, and the born in
Pull the door, somebody a lock the door. Pull the door.
Come back with the room.
Man, me have to
Pull the door, you
burn
talk
one
too much. Pull the door. Sure.
Yo, hold on now, yo.
Come on. Come on.
Yo, hold on now, yo.
No,
Cause
no,
the
no.
attitude they got again.
Pay attention. Alright, come on, come see like. Where's the one? Tram short. Yeah, you know, I'm coming and saying, yes, now we don't know how to small things, and then you have to price. Alright, that's the thing, man. Which one, yeah, which one to say about? You say, no, say one right, or you can't answer. It's alright. The thing, man, so far from the job. Yeah.
Mr. Brown? Talk to me a little bit now. Tell what going with the shooter.
Alright. Hey, go on, like, sorry, stop that right there. So we are doing a little collab with face expression. You know, so yeah, you see if you can match up a movie and fast, so cut, go over, so come from the second half and then shoot here. Papa, I don't like that. Pull the curtain, make it some more light. Pull the curtain.
Who's on the NBC license?
Papa, where you get them pants from? Or joggers or what you call it?
Okay, I hear it off the plane, you know.
Ronnie, step in that seat, Mr. Elo. Right, step back. So as soon as she come in and start talking, you just turn off the fire so we can hear her. Ready on going, that's it. Alright, come back. Come back. Push on the head, miss focus. Alright. Actually, you see it here. You're running, but wait, make clean space to top here.
Okay.
Alright, I can go up on a turn and turn to show. I'm ready now, going.
Babe.
Babe.
Yeah, I'm soon come back. I'm going to the supermarket, so I'm coming back to the supermarket.
What's the supermarket there?
You want to the right on the corner there, so?
Oh, alright, that's a minute.
Alright, make sure I'm...
Yeah,
Alright.
come back, go and look at your face. And you can turn off the fire completely. No, wait, I don't want this one. Come back in. Start going and focus. You still talk to us here. You want the same thing? Turn on the fire again. Right now, we're going.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah.
I'm soon come back. I'm going to the supermarket, so I'm coming back. You want to the right on the corner there, so?
Right, so we tie it up with the secret of the car. I'm fine with you or something. Ready? Fine. So we just done one scene, now we are moving on to next.
So what food then? I know you're not buying food from man.
It's no more try food, man. Alright, work first.
Oh, you love food stuff.
Alright, we next thing curious.
I love food stuff. You love
Guys,
food stuff.
when I come and shut the man, ask him, say why? Why me not meet the family?
What's him to?
So talking. When me say like when they come up from smack. No, just make it random. You can't put them back the clothes. Yeah, put them back the clothes. You have changed in clothes. No, oh yeah. You're not shooting no scene now that we have on. You're not shooting no scene now we have on. No, that's when we're coming in. You're not behind this. Yeah, but since you do the step by step and the church. Yeah. And do one conversation, man.
Okay.
Do one conversation without the shirt. The front shirt one side, one sheet. I am about a conversation. So before you get up and off my bed, you can say, yo, here what? So like, you get up before man and put on the makeup. So by the time you put on the makeup and the time they transfer to the bathroom, I will come to the two with the sing. So in that time you can say, oh, I don't mean your family from come over here. You know what I mean? You just come and this and this and say, you know yourself, man. This home needs family. Not family time or family time, but we just want some time to be alone. You know what I mean? Alright, this that is we should have place now still because we have nothing to really tell the story every time. Alright, so we're going to do that. Just do a conversation there. So we can bypass and do some seed out and we help. But just do what that conversation in the room. It's exciting.
Sure, say more hiding.
Yeah, my eye.
I hiding no one, you know, say already.
I understood.
No. So basically, I don't want to have it.
What is that bag? It's my friend from school days.
Tell him to subscribe.
Come here, come video, come. One video.
I don't want you to video me. No, sir. Behave yourself, man. Sure. Hello. No curse words. What is the matter with your son? Detention. No acting for a month. Overacted. Now look at people. Look here. The reason why I'm going to hold the camera, like from the viewfinder, so I get my perspective. So it's like my eyes. Yeah.
Come on over yourself, man. The family never don't get even them even come on.
Oh, you climb up on the bed, sir. Go on again.
Alright, so what I say now? We're not no brother, right? No brother nearby. Alright, we have to cover that one. That kind of dragging down fast. But if you sleep there, your girlfriend. Yeah, you want somebody to be your girlfriend. So go and shoot in a meantime. Go and shoot in a meantime, all the time.
Alright, one day, come in.
So when you say something about family, I'm a doctor.
No, me, there's a chat, don't feel like a chat.
No man, so the man at this, just go on and shoot. You don't have to go and think about your heart. No, you don't have to shoot. You have to put on the makeup. Put on the makeup. Put on the makeup. Yeah, put on the makeup. Yeah. Go on and shoot. I want to wake up early so many times and they want to run the road. That's how come here I'm not going at the same time. You know what I mean?
Look bored from the age, I
Alright, so we want to make sense that it's in the morning. Alright, so you get up, it'll be like, you not stay all night with them and I come like, not early morning, but I'm inside still, whatever the case may be.
Okay, I'm sleep half an night,
so you ask him, why your work stays on the door? You know, like your work, you know, like a day out, like, you know. It's nice,
Hold on there. We're going to walk each other, You just always have on a tablet, huh?
Yeah. You just always have the camera in my face.
Who always have camera in your face?
You.
I video myself, I know.
Come with me.
You know, I catch you in focus. Me not focus? Do I look clear?
Yeah.
Is me clear?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah people, St. Thomas with it. And also the collaboration with Richard Brown Films and Expressions JA, popular YouTube channel. And also them do them collaboration. So I know say, I stay tuned, so I get that movie. So for your first time, subscribe to this channel, leave a like on the video. Definitely subscribe to Richard Brown Films. RICHARDBROWN F or Films spell again. FILMS or Films. Yeah. Subscribe, like, all the good things. I never used that video a while ago. I made that video. I say, you can't be yourself. Make yourself rude.
What am I to say?
No, anything. Just don't wind up yourself and all them. So. No, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Shanina.
You have social media, something, Instagram? You have Instagram?
Yes, Shanake21.
You have a man?
No, I don't have a man, I'm single.
Alright, so when you hear that, people, go over to our Instagram, check her out, look her. See her full body there, pretty face. And, for a lot of people, I'm going to ask why me, no look her. I'm celibate, people. Celibate. Yes. Yeah, I'm not engaged in a relationship and them something there. Mummer. I'm going back over here so I can get some behind the scenes. You're not doing acting?
No, I'm not doing acting. I do acting yesterday, I'm not doing nothing.
Okay. So hopefully I get your man a while ago and some IG followers or whatnot. Bye-bye.
Hey, don't post it.
What means you don't post it?
Come here, baby. Baby.
What?
Baby.
No.
What's the one there that
No. They know say, everybody knows say, I forget wrote about baby. What didn't you like? What she said, yeah, don't have a man. When you have a man.
everything. Not an interview that wants to sit down and talk.
Nah, we can do that too. We can do that too. Hold on, come out of overexposed. Yeah, we can't do that, but I still post this. What in it where you don't want for sure? No, what in it where you don't want for sure? No, that not gonna work.
Please, no bother with that.
No. Unless me I go just cut out the part them with you. Alright, no problem. I'm not cut out none. No, I'm not cut out none. Go away. Great Fire as the same way. The place and name? I don't know, man. Alright, but we'll go back inside and see if we can catch some more of the behind the scenes, man. Brown man, care about you?
No, no, give me no problem, bro. Like her, what she like me, no. No, why she almost a while for me.
She said she not have a boyfriend, so I don't know how can I go on.
No, really?
Sometimes I joke them, I make. Sometimes I joke them, I make. I don't know.
really believe them,
Boy, me good enough, me general. I'm not really engaged in a relationship thing, you know. I just love the camera, isn't it?
Right, yeah, man.
Yeah. Background, yes, sir.
That's what I started this one.
General, you're not sitting down. You man, I want to. You know, good, I want to see. Then I come aside. You ain't go there. I'm on
Normal.
That's one there, shoot.
We're there in St. Thomas, Warren Bay.
No, I know I was in the room.
Oh. No, I said, you know,
Boy.
normal situation, my boss.
All ton.
I'm on the lens on wipe off, bro.
I don't wipe off the lens. Where's my lens? My phone wipe off the lens.
So, so they are St. Thomas and we are face expression.
We know what I tell them already.
No, watch out. We are Aki.
Go down, so because I can't say this.
Aki Lawrence and St. Thomas and with face expression, with Richard, with John, Paradise Nation Entertainment. And this is
Where Richard Brown shirt there?
in a car.
Yo, detention. No acting for a month. Push up. That's how you get when you don't have on a Richard Brown film shirt. Yo, you don't have a plastic. God. Brown man still there up on his phone. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's the next day.
I'm not depend, you know. Cannot manage. I'm not depend on kind of condition and I cannot deal with it. Can't get a break.
Yeah, bro, where say you're up? Yeah, say, these are going to go down to there.
My God, this is my dream to have hands looking like this. With this piece of metal here.
Alright, go down there.
Really agree with you, man.
In-law.
Why? I want to be like him. Me want to be like him. Only when I want it just boring, so as me just boring, so I need something on it, man. So peeps, that is it for this one. As you see, Richard Brown Films, Expression JA. People are come together. Unity and strength, you see me? No bad vibes. They will do it like the overseas YouTubers, them will collaborate and grow each other. I make things happen. Everybody can live and happy and just enjoy that something about them life. So decide for this one. Leave a like on the video. If for your first time and you make it this far, definitely subscribe. Just click the subscribe button for me. And we see you, no? in our next video very, very soon. Probably a movie, probably a next vlog. I don't know. Click the notification bell, Laraga. Hopefully, that's 15 minutes.
Alter, ich hab Ende der Sau, was du machst, wait, cool, wait.
You like it? Sit there.
You don't like the camera ever show your face somewhere and I watch him?
Listen.
What beer this inside? It's inside.
Bit small. So basically, you cannot tell her one story. You see? So
I can't sleep in it.
Right now,
weird.
I can't wear it and take one photo. Big shot and wake up in a water.
what you want? S2 said, she don't come home with me.
You want one of them?
Yeah, why you not come here? Yeah.
You don't have to tick like a man.
I'm going to go now one day and I build back over. From scratch, I have some of those rent a place and go work. I understand. And do my thing. And do your things and do so. So most of my clothes are burn up in the night too. Yeah. And they have a whole yard with everything there. You know, it's burn down when I build back new house.
Papa. Papa.
And then nothing one about out at the bag of that.
Exactly. Welcome on my boss.
You man didn't say if a single. That the man.
Well, I'm single, yes. I have none there now.
My name cut off my neck. Shirt a bossy though.
I'm telling you, Papa.
Yeah.
Big up bully.
Canada too.
Canada. Do one conversation in the car while I'm at the Get it in the car? Yeah, in a film car. You're going to get one conversation.
So what the other movie on that shoot?
What road movie that?
Big up, my brother.
Panza, Papa.
Muhammad!
Can't buy.
Papa, they can't chat here again, you know? They can't talk, but no, stretch out next shot again and blur it now.
How well did that talk, man?
And skinny jeans and all these things. What kind of shoes is this now, my general? Supreme. Yeah, when I always want to come in a man spotlight. You know, ease yourself, man. Yo, Papa, I hear time for shining.
Yeah, time now for shine. Don't want a single man out there.
You want a single man?
Any age to 60.
No, you can't wear that. You can't wear that.
Although I'm 31 still, so I don't feel
that. Yeah, 6. How old are you?
No, you don't know. You don't want to them to wear anything.
The youth want a single one.
Want a single man age.
You say you don't have no man. So me I give one boyfriend now. I mean, lift him up, yes. Hold on, Papa. What we see? What we see? What go on? Whoa!
Papa, I make my husband sit there.
What? No.
I said, that oogie mean? Oogie mean?
Hello. You're not supposed to be entertained by these stuff. Go to your room. Go to your room.
Yes, sir.
So, Papa, you're good now? You're good now, Papa?
When the girl approach the bed and the police them say, you can't let me go. Papa, you don't see shark girl. When I said, Papa, I said, put it in Papa.
What's up, Papa? I see where you shot.
No, we can't pass a black one there. We are going to people to the man. They look inside the past 6 speed. They look in backside.
So you're good now, Papa? They get one girlfriend now?
No, I'm not getting no girlfriend.
Such a long with shot here while I go. Taken by who?
Papa hook like mango.
Ready now?
Well, I'm going to order some.
See that?
What's the name?
How much of a story I pick and fast?
thing I done today.
How much do you sell one of them shirts personally?
We run back up in a while ago.
How much do you sell that shirt personally?
Come out with a bag.
What will you make? Huh? Oh, like him, I tell me, say, more book you book him back. No, I'm the book if you get the time you want. But if you not the part time. No, you want full money so they come to the part time. You can't have very full money, it's very easy. You don't pay full time now.
Yo, so now, when I rent a movie, when I rent a room, I'm supposed to come in the night and let you go to the So what if...
No man, I said that.
That's how it work, that's how it work.
So what time is it supposed to check in?
No, they're checking 3 o'clock.
How the experience, my boss, so far?
Good man, good.
You know, so when I'm doing a real interview, you'd say, how you and Richard Brown link up, movie acting thing. Oh, shucks, don't have to do that because we catch everything on camera already. But anyway, how you experience you, my boss? From the beginning till now?
Well, you know.
I'm not talking to drive come to St. Thomas, you know. I talk from the beginning, everything.
It's been a pleasure, you know what I mean? Because, you know, when you have quality, you know, quality is always better than quantity, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's a good vibes, and I appreciate the, you know, the respect and the love and, you know, the doing it,
Zaza.
you know what I mean?
Zaza.
So him I get what I get and me I get what I get, guys.
Alright, my boss, alright, my boss. Papa, where's the acting the best thing you ever do in your life?
Well,
baking. Yo, man, I love you in baking, you know. So I know, big up yourself still. Sir Brown, I say the best thing they be doing is introduce her to the camera.
Before not to us yet, but when as soon as you...
She's right. We give you a lot of other people, extended people.
Oh, you're welcome.
Like, benefits from that.
Step out that scene, yeah. Step out that scene. Bye.
Alright, what more I'm do now? More I'm whisper in your ears and tell you.
I'll give me a picture.
So I cannot make
how much money you get? So I'm not going to
play that well, boss. They are telling between King with and TV.
Yeah, I tell you everything. One tell the story. So she go pull the one side. Get a call for your phone. Like,
I can get a text.
You see a call,
I get a text.
And then I pull the one side and say, yo, everything go through.
Here. You will tell it on one side, one side.
I'm telling you, yo, everything go through, man.
Put it in your pocket.
No say a word, I'll come back to the game again. By the time that now, they would have come in. Let's get it now and buy it like bam. So you see relevant.
So am I done?
Yeah. When I get the text, we just want to text. You want to get that recorder.
Yeah. One text come in, you text. And put it back in your pocket and then pull the bar screw. And before that now, how they can make one move on the board.
Are you play
nobody don't use the phone, we never see a phone there.
When you use a phone, man, the call make which phone you use?
We never see that phone there, we never see alternate phone.
That means.
Alright, make a move. One, make a move. Alright. Hold on. Hold on, I get that one. So you run as well. Hold on, don't move it. You make it here. So go on. Action. Action. Watch it now. Come on.
I wait for you. Give me a record. I wait for you.
I have to get the car.
You get the call now. So when we say action, and you just wait a couple seconds and then pick up the phone. Right. You tell me. See that?
Boy, brain, a be a thief, man.
Oh, me a thief, yo.
Action.
Be a thief, man, a thief. What kind of style that boy?
Sorry, boss. Sorry, I'm a thief, me a thief. It's just a game. Just a game. I think you're giving away the game, boss.
Me a farm. Don't move, you know.
Alright, come back. Because I'm not sure, I'm not 100% sure you can look at that camera. Alright, just in case, get man. No, she ain't that. Just in case.
Catch me a thief again still.
No, you're not a thief again. Alright, but Spanner. Alright, let me tell you to know you're just pulling me around the car. And action. Let me tell you to step back and just walk up. Alright, step back. Action.
Big up yourself, Papa. Alright, what I think is Alton.
This is the part where we are done. We're there, so I want to play some job for the done. But we're not really sure. We're just going and shoot. We're not really sure what the job fair play. We're going to keep the game still. Me and I need that on it, so we're just going to move 1-1.
Alright.
Security!
Man.
See me?
I had a security.
Stand guard when time they are rolling. Stand guard.
How much? So when she said to me, she said, yo, just take it. That's not it. That's the same kind of thing. So I jumped and take it. So make a look at ready, action. Let's see how go on here. Oh, yeah. Come back again. Come back away now. Oh, look come away. Candy. Alton, what I see? Alright, come back and walk, come back. Alton, come back here. Come back here, I see. Alton. Yes. Come back, come play. So turn right to the top and then walk, come back here, I see. I'm ready.
Yaki, this nothing there, sir. This nothing there, sir. No. Yaki, what is that here? Sean. Whoa, this is way up there. Sean. Hey. Right, that's a good one.
We execute, that's it. You want them walking now? Want them walking here now?
Different.
I'm still walking here now.
Different. You want them walking, tell them what going on now.
No, when they come in now, man, they say, what on? Subscribe! So when you come out of your mask, you don't kind of, that's some food in there. Yeah,
Oh, so
yeah,
it'll be execution.
we are grown, so you go say, you want now. Now look at things to do right now. I'm just going to know.
Oh, so that can be feet take a scene.
Yeah.
I'm a little girl for the link.
Yeah, man, we'll catch the brother. Yeah,
Ready?
Send cup what's up.
Yeah, you know, Juta. Juta. The food up. Paradise Nation Entertainment, which are about flicks. Yeah, man. Expression, I must go down.
Ready.
Alright.
Where's the other one, you know?
No. You know, I'm going to tell us what one of us is.
You can't do that. Go on, man. You're doing
Ready now. Think me do you do better.
It's alright.
So the Rasta man, thinking easy. Think you blur not easy. Think you easy. People, remember, yeah, Akeem Lawrence are the voice behind the camera right now. Remember to subscribe, people. Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, Jamie Wood, Akeem Lawrence, all of them. The boss over there, so big old director.
Go and play. Juta, what are you for? No. Candy, me give a job for you, and I need a job with the I'm gonna sex on the pan. I'm gonna tear business and handcuff business the pan idea.
You know, they say that's why I don't come.
Ready? Candy, me give a job for you. Do me tell you.
Give me phone.
Ready? Alright, go and play all time. Go and play.
Give me phone.
And ready now, Juta.
Action.
Everybody have come that side.
Where's the walk back in?
No, everybody have come that side. Alright, walk back out and see now and come back. Candy, come behind everybody, come behind. No, Candy, come behind side. Ready now? Action.
Brown man. God. Alright, you pop up me and General. Yeah.
No, hold on. Are you a boss? So you know you talk to me calling on General. You are a boss. You are a boss.
You want the whole of them I'm General?
No, man. You are General.
General, you're the boss.
You are the boss. Walk. Are you a boss? Are you a boss? Let me tell you, man.
Why are you a boss?
No, man.
Pinky.
What's my name?
Pinky.
Viral.
No, you call him like a stinger. Or a shooter. Stinger.
Yeah.
Right. Now Brown man is calling. Brown man. Him brown but my stinger though. He's a brown man, he's a stinger.
You can't just say stinger, yeah. Alright, you know next. Yeah, you have to done it. Yeah. No laugh neither.
Ready? Ready to do that.
Well, I know man. Yeah, stinger. What do you say?
Your voice big.
Yo,
let me play the voice to my friend here. Your voice big, you know where you are.
So me step on them broad.
So if boss officer,
step on them low.
Ready on action.
Yes, yeah, go on.
Must have some food we are pretty boss.
Code. Simple much man.
Yo. I got my link Jamaican for a CML pharmacy and one now.
Wild bread. See how old? Pass over to you. Mama. Wow, road.
Alright, come back.
One drive of vaccination.
Oh, you want to catch me? Box, you don't want to step too. Oh, they love vaccine. Alright, same thing again. Step out. Step out and come back. Same thing. Yeah, same thing. Ready? And after take me back.
See a thing that thing to you know. Where are they? Shooter. Stinger. What do you say about it?
Must have some food we are pretty boss.
Food. Simple man.
Come on, ready?
What do you say about it?
Ready? Actual music. Ready now and action.
Where are they? Shooter. Stinger. What do you say about it? Food. Simple man.
Yo, link Jamaican for a CML pharmacy.
Mama, farm. Road.
Alright, come back, Alton. So wait just now. Brownie, sorry. Standing.
want to see, no?
Yo, the next week of around our PML farmers Yo. Here.
One green.
Come on. We don't get you off. Let's see. Walk it too often. Everybody follow Casey.
What do you have to say for yourself?
You love me?
I don't. I love my girlfriend. What? Come here, come hug me up. Hug me up. Hug me up. If a ram rough man, that's skin too thin.
No talking.
Alright, just walk in. Alright, no, action. Walk in.
Watch it!
Alright, good, perfect. Alright, so we get this, we get that.
Alright, but then take more now.
No, we have done that after.
What is it?
No, we just do any part now when them come back with news or anything.
Alright, so we do our next location now.
But can we? Yeah, we can.
You don't want location now, lonely now, that you want a lonely road. You're like, you know, that standard.
I'm going to stand there.
Papa, come on, let me hear the boy.
The farm, you know, come make him live sick. Farm, yeah? Right now, we're there one farm.
Yeah,
understand?
Juta, you turn shooter too. Juta turn shooter, you know.
See a man a shooter.
You know if you hold a gun? John knows the...
I'm a state of
hey!
paparazzi.
Ready now, ready.
Money if me catch that, you know.
Where's he, Ken?
Yes, sir, the Hanover. This is the way the fucking everybody meet. So Sinead there, Sinead the one end. Sinead the one end. Come on to the road, Sinead the one end, and them the one end. You understand?
The police officers are here. Good day, officers. Get the mask. Let us get the mask.
But all of us coming together.
The right thing in proper perspective. Then we do want to bungle what we say. Actually. So we sit back together. Then we up there. That's the earth.
True, if I see him going after the rest of the street.
Overstand the general. But you want this pass and remove. But we have this failure step. Yeah, but you have to talk.
Alright. Alright, Talman, yeah, right thing you say. We will comply and deal with it.
You see that, Richie?
But if you got a prison, we got a prison.
No. Him good answer. Watch if the man sell him out now. Him know, you know. Him know say you already.
I'm telling the police in farm, man.
If him watch all of them, you must know. Come on, Ty Road.
I'm thinking.
Right now, him just want to say something to you. That's all right. If you never know, say him no way. don't say police no, sir.
Yes, I know.
Yo, burn it down. Yo, fire, you big. I know 40 years just fire. Rob here. Yeah.
Friends say driver, I say book.
I'm police and
driver, yeah. When I say that driver, then no, I'm tattooing him look for a boy a scammer, you know, take him on. Yeah, because he never, him not blood car, first he knows.
Hello.
Alright,
remember we're always recording, so the expletives, please.
This is wrong.
Alright, edit out it.
You are established a scene now, so watch
phone
it.
call, make a phone call. When I make a phone call, I say over there, yeah. So, you have 30. You don't
Listen to a man saying a man I wrote. Stop talking.
Come on, everybody wait. Come on to Shorty in a movie, you look at Shorty.
Understand what's doing.
Ready now, so you and you. One shot. One whole shot. Shot too, yeah.
Oh, we are catch her. You have to see we
no,
catch her.
No, catch her. This is Bonnie, we bumper.
Oh, handing over.
Ready? Alright, so go on now. Uno carry. She come.
And come on over to.
Get back for no warrior.
Oh, ready.
It's a crossover. It's a crossover. There's a standoff, you know, that's why I wanted the pass them. You see part like a pallet of 4, that's what you want.
I said, yeah.
Got two stand up.
So what we do time and to park up with Alton first.
Look at that. Yeah, take care.
Oh, I'm going to
Time up.
You man take the police tie and tie on you. Take it done.
Say no look good.
Ready. Ready now, man. Alright. Alton get tied up.
Come on, Alton, come over here, sir. Tie up here.
Tell the truth, that this no look good.
So Alton, change the shirt.
That's time.
I change the Javan from when? I change the Javan from when?
No, enough dirty, man. I look at clean people, they clean people, but if you're dirty.
They are jigsaw champagne.
So other carry I go. You want come out?
Yeah, no, this is not champagne.
I tell people.
Oh, snake man of him, yeah.
Snake man,
so we are come from the
What's
vaccine.
there? Come on.
What's the vaccine flow, man?
Come on.
We are come from the vaccine side.
Forward.
To this. And them are come with Alton stuff.
Come on.
Me not go out there, only me I said it.
So you can stand up in front time, just more the front time. So I want the 200, snake man.
Some of them see now.
Where you
Like
name
tall man, snake man, who's a short man as well next to
Big.
So you tell them come out time bus. And then when you come out time front, I'm there, you know. Snake man got to go up on the road. So stand up. You not alone up on the road, so. You better not come, so. Some of the cat people come. You come, so too. Some of the cat people come. You understand?
Come this excited.
Yeah.
Come in.
You hold the hands up if things start moving.
Ready?
Yeah, come ready now.
Come in. Come on.
Dog got me near.
Yo, what came out of the car? What came out of the car?
No, man. Aki, you down there, man. You down there. Pull out some of your hand. Pull out some of your belt. Pull out the belt card. You can't go back in.
No, boss.
Back in, you.
No. Just the hand. Go back.
No.
Papa, give me that snap for your strap.
You know where we are? What is this? You're rich, huh? I don't record ass. I'm tired of telling you.
I'm showing you my name, my tag.
Actually, you know what's in here ass. Okay, every minute now, turn around.
People subscribe.
Yeah.
Richard Brown Flips. Right there, so. I said nothing.
Oh, we're not ready yet, man. Hold on.
But dirty vice.
All right.
Yeah, I don't know if you tell somebody, brother. You're bombard.
Artist. Alright, sir.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Like a
piece of freedom.
Traumatized. Yeah, man, sing and free up yourself, my boss. Can we see it, you know, so you're stressed out?
Tired.
I charge my boss. You can't get many more chargers.
I know a charger. Your phone battery dead. A problem.
You can't receive no call.
No, man.
Come. Yeah, we're good to go. Good to go. Alright, ready.
They put up on the man bum buckle like brain and now. I don't worry about it. You could have run left the fucking bus go down.
It's a good thing so we record behind the scenes, you know, so your phone battery dead. Charge and mash up.
Alright, go in Ivan.
One at, don't
Yeah, you want Dan and they have alternate hostage. Go on.
So me Dan apart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. In a character.
You don't want nobody else power Dan, you want Akim power Dan.
Akim gonna have power Dan.
You want one more somebody, Akim going to power Dan.
Yeah, so I'm power down. Left this out as well.
Yeah, keep up by the TV.
Bye-bye.
Chucky! Chucky! Chucky!
What you do that for? Morning. Let's give me a clap. Morning. What we have? Grandma, you didn't see me.
Who from Grandma?
This good enough to take in a also. Yeah. Can't buy no chuck. More in the yard.
Sir, good morning. We have that lunch money. Lunch money? Yeah. Big boy like to have a smoke. If big boy like to no man, big boy like to have a smoke.
No big.
So what you do? I just grow big.
We are 10. We are 10.
So, my mother was the father did 65. Your father 65 when him have you? So much money in a big for gas school.
Any amount you can put.
So the bucket is so big.
If when you are big, you have to beg big. Big small, you don't look good.
Oh, yo, no, hey, I'm just killing up. You man, them sit my yo. Let me see no money in my pocket. Please, sir, please. Pocket empty in a road, boy.
Check your next pocket. So, that you always keep in your next pocket.
Anything, man.
Don't check your
next pocket. The left one. No money in the pocket. I right one that. That's not left one. I right one that. No money in the
Chucky, come on. You only check both.
Let me see your pocket.
I want them to come back.
So people, that's something they want to look on, one gimbal stabilizer. What it do is actually keep the footage steady so you can look forward to some super smooth
footage from the Uncut Big Boy series. Them have a go on. So Richie, I want to do it now?
No, candy, let's get candy on both sides.
How? But in kind of want you want to, you know, people, because I want to...
Yeah, man, bat out. Bat out. Alright, come candy, ready?
Which one of them are you saying? Which one of them you know? Oh yeah man, it's just fast man. What do you teach you?
So, Big Boy mother, which is Candy, I go for him now. So, but the gimbal stabilizer, I really come in handy when you have them walking shots here. So, as you can see, this camera that I'm using, you know, have no gimbal stabilizer. So, that's the reason why it's so shaky. So, with that now, all of this shaking, gone. So I hit that for my guys from the BTS. Well, you can probably go see if Big Boy actually get beaten. Yeah, we catch that. Huh?
Come over here, son.
Let me get a better look. Hold on, sorry, I'm a pause. Good night, people. Get some of them nighttime BTS.
Big boy, you see if you left out of the yard again, this time you're not getting no chance, but you're not getting no little punishment. Cause right now, big old, get up, me talk to you. I remember say you go down back on your knee. Get up, you should have dropped. Big and fool now what? Every day you come out of the yard and put me in a trouble. Look on you too, about you gone on the beach. Shark shit and yam you. You see you? You see your little and rude? You turn like you're dirty poop. Why? When you chat you don't move. Turn up right as up.
So,
you got tear up and
what them do people is them point the
watch
light
you
up
you turn like you're
so it
dirty
bounce
pooper.
down and give the
Look
air
on
a
you.
nice
As
lit
for your pooper
ambience.
used to go along when your mama when you have him. I not take off and me sure it's not me. Look on you. If you're not big boy, you know me they wonder if I the chuck and the hat and the bag for you in a idiot. And me never know to me bring one jerk ass from her. Boy, you feel sense. Go back on me and they go in the house And me come back out here and you get up off your knee. Watch me. A matter of fact, run down this and run come back up here. Run, me say. Run, you're upon punishment. Run. Run go down there, so. Run, come back up here, so. Run one more time. Come back up here, so now, and kneel down. The two outside, I leave me have nothing to do. You kneel down. And if your thing stay, your arm have too much here on that day, make you have one like you have big man. Get up off your knee, they go in and come back. Get up if you're bad. Outside and over.
Yeah. So I think we get about a minute.
Lean up, lean up, the pioneer and lean up right there, so.
The family?
Yeah, lean up on the wall.
Big boy, come here. Come here. Me did tell you to kneel down for your knee. You see since your bad, man? Boy! You see since your bad, and you look like I said you are man in this house. You run Ghana Beach, start swim. Swim, let me see. Big boy, swim! Swim! Swim, big boy, swim! Swim, me say. Idiot. Get up! Get up and come here, myself. How tired?
Yeah, yo, you see how we laugh when we ask you that? No, I laugh now. Can't make you swim some more.
What is this small while I'm not getting to do like this? Why did I want to swim, man? I'm not swimming, go. So get him up, I go. Come on, man, with me, sir. Show me how you swim now. This is how you're swimming up the jaw. See it here? 2, 3, 4. Now deep on the room. Deep on the room. I'll tell you to get your move. Yes, continue. You go on.
Yes, I see where you're sitting.
But we don't see that piece that is a bit more better punishment.
Well, it's a tough one.
Then we can get up and we can swim around.
Yeah, but you still can add this.
Yeah, but don't bother people. Get up and go and catch cold and go.
Action.
Get up, you damn idiot. Get up. Get up off my floor. Get up. Dear Mars. Come down and so. About your Ghana Beach. You know how to swim? Come, turn on. Let me show you how to swim. Swim. Swim, you want to swim. Swim. Swim, me say. Swim. Swim. Swim, go let's all swim. Come down back.
Danny, then the top she want to see her sleep tonight. I'm going to sleep for that tonight. And pull up that middle leg, make sure I'm going to lock, check that one there.
Right.
And watch it, the brass, watch it.
Ready?
Very long time.
Swim. I saw people swim. Dear man. Swim, so. Swim. Swim good on this and swim come up back. Beat your one, beat your get. Watch him. Big and full. Swim come back down here, so. Shark in your mouth. Look here. You see right there, so? Tonight, yeah, but I know me
You're big boy, we are not big idiot. Come. Watch it, bro. Just this boy. Go and swim. I'm going to tell you, I'm coming out there to sleep water. Turn on.
Oi, turn on. You can go and swim. And when you feel satisfied, so you swim as much. Sleep right there so you're not coming out house tonight. You hear what I say? Alright, let's say you sleep. Come.
Come back here, you go sleep.
Come on. Right. Go Cutie. Cutie, this is your Right after you sleep tonight. Right after. Don't come in my house. Can you tell me that? Go back and swim. Swim till you learn to swim. Then you can go sleep this home.
So, yo, I was trying to big boy them, sir.
I don't know where this is going to shoot see. We don't know where. But I'm there 4 or 5 minutes. 5.
Alright, so that concludes the shooting, I guess. And that means it's end of the BTS for me. People, remember to subscribe. Watch out the video them.
Please watch the ads. See.
And so I don't have to tell them that. Them man, they can't lock off like that. They come up, people.
Alright, yeah.
Welcome on, people. Pick up on yourself. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. Yes, you see me trim up now. I look like somebody picked me again. So in this video, we are talking to people again. And we are talking to, in this one, we are talking to
Kimoya. Hi guys.
Kimoya. So Kimoya, what go on? How you reach down a Negrilla Richard Brown Films? Tell me where you come from first of all.
Well, I am from Kingston. We're in Kingston, Augustown. You know, most people know
Augustown.
Yeah.
So you reach down here?
Well, I've been to watch Richard Brown Films and a friend of mine texted him and asked if we could be a part of his movies. And he said yes.
So hold on there, pause. Where next lady there? You can't come no forward. Where next friend there? Carry come now.
So your friend, she had one scene up here already.
Oh, she had one scene up here, see me. So,
My scene done.
your scene finished? And the next thick girl too?
No, she had a fair one now.
Oh, Zine. So, sorry about that. Where were we?
Yes, so he replied and asked where we're from and such and such. And them come to Kingston, I was shoot one video and then them say them we in a more video of come a Negril. And so here are we to do more videos.
So tell me how the whole experience.
Well, it's when them come to Kingston, it would have been my first time behind a camera.
I mean, in front of the camera.
Yeah, in front of the camera. Sorry guys.
Yeah.
In front of the camera. So now I'm going to experience more because we are doing more than one video. Yeah.
So you shoot so far?
Alright, it's great. Excellent.
Experience is excellent.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So you done acting before now?
No, I never act before. But I can act and my parents always say for going to drama. But
Alright, you can act. Let me see if I can find one personality here and you play out that personality there. Alright. Act as if you were a Jamaican policewoman. I talk to me. Me I taxi man. I talk to me.
Something easier.
Easier, something easier like what?
Alright.
I can't bring a friend now, she just there over one side. Come in and have video with her. Where you drink? Where you drink?
Orange juice.
How you know Richard Brown Films?
Same thing as what she said. I mean, text him. I am the friend of hers that she did tell me so we text him.
Oh, so you did the texting? Oh, Zine, everybody meet up at Kingston. Oh, Zine. So first time you do no acting? First time you act?
Second time.
Second time?
We filmed the first one Kingston, Red Hills.
Oh, Zine. So the movie them name wanna act?
The first one we do it near Friend Zone, not finished yet.
Friend Zone.
Yeah.
And what is it about?
Well, I was a baby mother and my baby father wasn't minding the baby, so I cuss him.
Jaja.
Really bad.
Jaja God. So people gonna look forward to that movie there. So I say over here, so we're full of attitude. This is our first time I act.
No,
So
my second. Remember I act with them at Kingston?
no, man, I mean before Richard Brown Films. Oh, yeah. So the police woman. Yeah, man. So you stop me now. You wanna give me a seatbelt ticket?
So you say me for ask you license registration. That's it.
I don't want on the camera for me give you a little impression. Because I try the acting thing myself, you know. So you point the box for me and hold on on this until you see me coming out. Focus or until it turn green. Good now? So, alright. I'm not going to do the police woman, I choose something else. But what I'm going to expect from the police is that come sir, give me your license and registration. Not drive on government road like you are phone. Give me papers them.
Come. As a matter of fact, which way if I, you know, me gonna write the whole book in there, so. Something like that, you see me? So I can give me one character now. Where I go, where I go.
A policeman.
No, you can't. No, me give you that a while ago. I do something different.
Do something different as in like...
let me see, I know. What kind of character I could have get? Oh, I think as that I come.
An eagle.
Alright, go on. We see what go on. Go on.
So what mood I sell?
I know what you sell, you know. Come, not even be time I don't talk, I'm supposed to want buy anything where you sell.
Ready?
Ready.
So I sell trucker, come get your trucker. Truck yourself before the man truck, yo. Yeah.
Hold on. No, sir.
What she say? What she say?
Must I sell choker?
No, she says she says choker, get a choker before
Choker. Get a choker. Choke yourself before the man choke you.
No man, come on, deal with the thing serious. I sell some panty and jeans pants
I'm
and...
not a panty, I'm not a jeans pants.
What are them there sell?
But I don't have any panty.
What going, sir? What
Oh
going?
yes, brown man.
Father Larry in the place.
Like one just don't do a scene up or something.
No, sir, I'm never in the scene though.
Oh.
No, sir, Bonnie done.
Some of there I talk with... Wow?
Bonnie done Alton AJ. I don't remember where actress the name, remember.
Some of there I talk to them still.
Danica or Miss Danica? Danica, alright.
Some there I talk to them, I find out how they book Richard Brown films. Be a thing, let me see how I go on with. You still no piece from yet, you know?
Oh, ready.
Hi, miss.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name? Danica. How you reach down at Westmoreland and Nigel?
No, say, sister link me still.
What are your sister? Who are your sister? Browning?
Here.
Oh, cool. So she linked you up with Richard Brown films?
Yeah, the day before yesterday. This good? I'm coming from.
No good.
No, why no? I can't. Like I didn't pick up on the back of the car. But anyways, yeah.
I'm coming from Portland, east side, you know?
East side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come away, but it was a long journey still.
So hold on there, your sister do the link up and then you just forward a nigga and come do some acting. Okay, cool. So you don't know acting yet?
Like, no?
Yeah, well, I'll go ahead. So where do? Tell where do?
I go look for my son, because my sister stay with him.
Yeah, talk low though, I'm not even can hear like you're shy.
I'm going to look for my son,
sister.
They stay my sister, so I'm going to look for him. Check up on him and see if I'm alright.
So alright, how was the show really about though? You are who are you in the movie?
Well, I'm just a girl that...
Hold on.
We can't say that.
Hold on, I will take somebody man. Nice show. Aria and mommy nice show.
Mommy.
Yeah, the good girl not the show, yeah, bad girl.
Yeah, the two of them.
She a good girl and bad girl.
Alright, cut now, I have to cut now. Look, come on. So.
Let me come on the girl,
Batty look nice. Come on, come see if you know.
Batty big enough.
Intellectual, murder people, edition, kaka. Hey.
Behave.
Hey.
Behave yourself. Me can't. Which part we did there? We get distracted a while ago.
Nice stills. Me there for just 2 days. And me enjoy myself.
Yeah, enjoy yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Same with you, eh? You look reserved like I'm doing.
So go on normal,
Just go on normal. Yep. See, I pick up your chat already.
Down here nice, although a lockdown time, but they make you feel, who come to, they make you feel comfortable.
Mad. How are you there?
Yo.
Forward in that place, man. If you are going like, you know, I'm forward, you know. So, thank you people, you see? I cuss myself, I got trim now. Look like somebody pick me again. Yeah. I see great papaya come around there, so.
Your father come?
Hey, baby father?
Yeah,
When that man in
him and your father and your friends on. I'm telling you about the choir guys. Him and man in Pitney.
Chaja.
Yep.
Papa,
Booyah!
me say na mind up Pitney.
Oh,
Yo.
nobody can say that.
Hey!
Come on, my youth.
I'm walking like a galley. Oh, nobody can say that. Not even from the neck.
Alright.
Sit down, come here.
Name AJ.
Mm-hmm.
My party movie name AJ no.
Can I go and finger that I roll up?
Oh. No, see, I know them the movie me I put up in now.
Okay.
Yes.
Want your father?
Go and shop to me.
Mm-hmm. Let's go on now, man.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, couple new faces. Zoom in too much. Couple new faces there on Jamaican City, Richard Brown films I'm out shooting. And as me always tell you, as it relates to the running aspect of it, who act, who but they shoot, like me don't know nothing about that. You see me? Just come through, see what I go on like any other normal person, capture it with my camera and show you. You see me? So I see some new people around the place, some shooting are going. I'm not getting behind the scenes because when I'm not shoot up best, so here I never really conducive for them behind the scenes. So just wait till they finish, come talk to them and yeah, just go on normal.
Big up on yourself.
Yeah.
To the world, one love.
And remember people, subscribe to the movie channel. Still I work on the movies, but I don't know my conundrum already. So yeah. Also I go on at the studio before we actually shut off the camera though. Nothing I want to tell them, me on a YouTube channel. No. Nobody on a YouTube channel, no Instagram.
Love for no do, love for no.
Alright, my boss.
Always love. One love.
Okay, but boy.
Well, people, thank you guys. I understand. Thank you for subscribing. The subscriber channel is growing.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah, man.
No, for the party, what time for the